A lot has changed. Do you guys see any change?
changes?
Alexa, switch off living room lights.
Oh!
What? I sent food to Jantar Mantar,
Uh-huh.
and then that guy reached there and he called because code भी देते थे. So he called and he said, हाँ भैया मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया हूँ. I was like, हाँ ठीक है जिनको भी देना दे दो वहाँ पर. And he was like, पुलिस को दे दो. I was like, पुलिस को क्यों देना है भाई? Everyone was sharing their live location on the group. A cluster of comics
Yeah.
in one place.
Yeah.
Abhish is somewhere else because he got arrested.
And this one is based on my cat.
Oh wow.
Yeah, see, one leg is missing.
So
We
do we
save
require-
money on studio rent by shooting in my house, for which I pay full rent.
Bro, we use my cameras.
That's true.
What are you contributing?
My fucking reach.
Dude, his reach,
Are you
dude.
seriously
What is this
asking
podcast
me
without
what-
his reach?
Hey! Hey! Welcome to another episode of Spender Bender. What number is this?
Bro, it's in the 50s now, dude. We've
Late
reached
50s,
the,
late 50s.
We're in
There's
the
no
late
number.
50s.
It's late 50s.
It's late.
50s.
It's mid to late 50s.
It's 55 के तो ऊपर ही है.
Oh,
It's
shit.
55 के ऊपर?
54 तो मेरे को याद है.
Last
Okay,
50th was Ronak's episode.
Welcome to episode
One of the 50s.
50 something.
You made it.
Yeah, how are you guys doing?
How's your month been?
This is about you. How are you guys doing?
Congratulations to all the Gen Zs.
Yeah, congrats to Gen Zs.
Can I
Gen
just
Z?
say? That's what I'm gonna say. So I've been at the cusp, right? Like I never truly embraced my Gen Z side, but now it's like I want to rebrand. Like I'm
This
joining.
fucking convenient.
I'm
this,
joining the Gen Zs now.
This
But earlier,
fucking convenient fucker.
like in my head, it was always if there is ever a war between Gen Z and millennial, I'll join Gen Zs. But now I'm like, I'm there. I'm in it.
Wait, what year are you?
97. It's exactly at the cusp of Gen Z to millennial.
Gen Z begins from 97 only.
97 onwards. Yeah.
You've been
So-
deciding
Yeah,
where you belong,
millennial.
basically.
I was not conflicted because I always wanted to be like an old soul millennial kind of a person. Like, yeah, Gen Zs are cringe. But now.
Now Gen Zs are the shit. Now millennials are cringe, dude.
Fuck millennials,
No,
dude.
Dude, we
Arey
got
bhai.
nothing accomplished in our
Fuck you,
time.
dude.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
did we do?
we didn't
What
do
the
shit.
fuck?
We
हम
didn't-
बस डर डर के रह
Because
गए.
of you fucks, we have this government, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you
Millennials.
vote?
I can vote now.
Yeah?
You
Yeah.
never voted before this?
No, I voted.
So you also voted no.
Yeah. What the fuck?
But I
You-
didn't. I mean,
you
I don't
say,
know
yeah,
who you
dude,
voted.
just-
I mean, I voted, but I voted for the right people.
You're the oldest of Gen Zs, by the way. You're not a young Gen Z.
Oh, dude, I actually did vote for Modi government last time.
Last
Last
time?
time?
No, no, first time. Last time,
Like first time 2014.
last time, like in
First
my.
time, I also don't remember.
First time
if
I was not eligible to vote.
If I voted
I
or
don't, I
if
don't
I didn't,
remember.
I don't
Last
remember.
time I didn't vote only, I think. That's what happened.
No, I know who I
Both of
voted
those
for.
things are so wrong.
Yeah, or more Modi, choose. You guys choose, man. What's better? What do you want me to be?
Write in the comments, tell us. but
Yeah.
before we get into that,
A lot has changed.
A lot has changed. Do you guys see any change?
changes? Any changes
Any
anywhere?
changes? This is like Dora the Explorer.
Yeah.
क्या आपको लगता है कि यहाँ कुछ बदला है?
तो कमेंट्स में जाइए यहाँ पे पॉज करके और हमें बताइए कि आपको क्या क्या लगता है कि चेंज हुआ है.
क्या
You guys
घटिया
lost
है
weight.
हिंदी?
You lost weight, no?
I lost weight.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude.
I think so.
You lost weight?
Hey, dude,
Looks
let's
like
just
it,
say
man.
yes, na.
I don't.
Yeah,
I
that's
didn't-
what I'm just assuming. What things that could have possibly
Have you
changed.
lost weight?
I hope I have not done anything to do it, but if it's happening, thank you.
Yeah. But tell us in the comments. Pause
Yeah,
right
pause
now.
right now.
Comment. Tell us.
Tell
what
us
you think
all the
has
things
changed.
you see
नहीं,
are
नहीं, one
different.
thing. One thing is enough. क्या
One
भाई,
thing?
अब क्या
Really?
ऐसे लिखवाएगा क्या
अच्छा,
भाई,
ठीक है.
अब? Just write one thing you think has changed. Okay, then come back. If you don't want to play this, then it's fine.
Just
But,
go ahead, yeah,
Just
yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah.
But the house has changed.
Yeah. It's a
Our
new,
boy.
it's a new house. I'm
Moved
an
out.
adult now, guys.
Yeah.
I'm a full grown adult man now.
Yeah, nice, dude.
You also want to be Gen Z in the student,
But
as
I'm
a student.
I'm
Barely, I'm 18 years old. Still not out.
I've just turned
Just
18.
18 year old who can afford his own house. What a
No.
guy.
Wow.
Yeah,
Overachiever.
government must be doing something
Yeah,
right
dude.
for me to be able to
Yeah,
afford
man.
all of
He
this.
moved to a new house.
I moved
This
to
is
a new house.
It's a new house.
But I must tell you, friends, like I bought, like this is.
You bought this?
I bought everything in this house
Oh,
except for
okay.
the house.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, no, these two lights we just rented.
Yeah, these two lights
What the hell,
are
dude?
rented.
Forgot.
Except for that, everything I've bought, and it's a fresh start.
Yeah.
Guys,
So-
okay, I'll tell you, it's very evident he's moved in for the first time
Yeah,
alone.
yeah.
क्योंकि these are stuck to the fucking wall. Where is the master cam?
Yeah.
But no,
These
no,
are.
I
Maybe
got
one
them.
second. One second.
Okay.
Let me finish.
We wanted to remove
Okay.
them.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
okay.
couldn't remove this. Okay,
Yeah.
because these are stuck to the fucking wall.
Yeah.
This shit.
Which is the
stuck-
coolest thing in the house, by the way?
Okay, whatever this is, that's not the point.
What do you
This-
think? This is comment in the back.
This is the whole episode. This shit is stuck to this table with industrial grade
Double-sided tape.
Double-sided tape.
I'll put the link in the description if
Which
anybody.
industry, by the way? Which industry is great?
Bro, the best of the industries. I'm
Which
telling
industry
you.
is great?
You put 3 links: the table, the
Yeah.
plant, and the sticky thing in the middle. Yeah, nice. 3 links.
Fucking
I'm gonna
stuck here.
Nice.
keep putting links, but
Yeah.
there are so many links I can put, dude. I've bought so much stuff.
Every time he buys something, he's like, let me just stick it to the
Like-
fucking wall or
okay,
the table.
talking
And
about-
that, and let me split the cost with the spender and the crew, which
Yeah.
makes no sense.
Hey,
Why
okay,
would we
you
have
guys-
to pay to
no,
furnish
okay,
you
the
guys
house?
tell
us.
me, yes.
Yeah,
You
no, you
guys
only
tell
ask.
me why can't. In the last house, they always were like, "Oh, we need to buy a coffee table. We need to buy a coffee table." Okay.
No,
So
I
it was
said you
always,
need to.
No, no.
I said
it was
you need to
always
buy
we
a-
need to buy a coffee table.
No,
So then I bought all of us a coffee table.
The reason I said we is because I also needed to buy in my house. So
You did not clarify
Also, see,
that.
technically, it should always have been you who bought it.
Okay.
We had offered to buy it in the
All
last
right,
house
fine.
because the last house
These two,
had
they
a
don't-
lot
We
to be
save
required.
money on studio rent by shooting in my house, for which I pay full rent.
Bro, we use my cameras.
that's true.
What are you contributing?
My fucking reach.
Dude, his reach,
Are you
dude.
seriously
What is this
asking
podcast
me
without
what?
his reach?
Are you seriously asking me what?
Fucking 5 people are there from your reach.
Really?
It's
You wanna-
all of us.
Okay. Wait, let's test
see.
it right
No, no,
now.
let's see.
no.
Let's see how many people
Let's post,
from
hey guys,
Spender
recording a new
and the-
episode.
Yeah.
Let's see how many
Okay.
stories.
Actually,
we
I
get.
do want to see that. I'll
What?
find that's analytic. How many people are here through? Actually, must have been a lot of people must have reached here through you.
You decide,
But
brother.
it's over now.
You
The reach-
decide what your
That
stance
was in
is
the
going to
beginning.
be.
That was in the beginning. Now it's
Now
all
it's Spender
3 of
Bender,
us.
dude.
Okay.
Now
Now
Spender
all of
Bender
us.
gets you views.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Sure, I'm just
Don't,
saying.
every time people run into you, don't they say, "Hey, big fan of the show"? Also,
Sometimes.
Yeah, fair, dude.
this talking about this, dude. Do you know what this is? You know because you've been. here
We do.
many
Let's
times.
not.
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah,
going to
yeah.
pretend now.
Bro, this is my favorite thing. Okay, I'm also gonna give you a tip. This is not a plant.
Yeah. Oh, I'm having Coke. I need somewhere to put my
Where you
Coke,
gonna
man.
put it, Anthony?
Yeah,
What
put
are the
it-
plant?
Oh, what?
And it's a coaster.
Boom.
That's amazing. Wow.
Boom.
Wow.
Hey, do you want to put your Coke
Yes, I
somewhere,
do.
dude? Bro,
Yes, yes.
guess what?
Hey, I need a big one.
Hey, you want a big one?
Yeah,
you,
please.
You take the big one, yeah, with the big reach.
It's magnetic also.
It's a magnetic coaster,
Yeah.
dude. Oh, I also want to
That's
put.
actually pretty cool, man. I
Bro.
have to say.
Okay, I have to give you a tip. I started getting these ads on Instagram about this thing, okay, but from another company,
Okay.
and they were selling it for 2,500 something.
Those
Okay, I was like, okay,
looters.
fuck, I'll buy it later. I'll buy it later. And then let me just see Amazon, and I just copied the title, what it said on that other website, and I put it on Amazon. Bro, I got 2 for 600.
What?
2. I'm sure the other one has like slightly better quality. It's a little heavier. This was a little
Yeah.
flimsy, but
Yeah.
that's why it's stuck to industrial grade tape.
Did the other one also come with a fucking
What?
tape? Just drill it into this table.
You know,
na? Just drill it in.
It'd be funny to see you try and sell this table in a few years. Just go
comes
with
with
it.
coasters. It comes
Very
with
nice.
coasters.
That's
That'll be fun.
But also, speaking of the frame, why it's stuck, another tip. If you're moving out and you're going to put up frames, you'll see a lot of these reels, okay, कि get this adhesive hook, it's
Yeah.
tough, it just
Yeah,
holds
yeah.
an elephant
But they
also.
papdi nikal dete hain.
Bro, I put 3 of these frames in my room also, okay?
okay.
And I use these, again, these strong adhesive hooks or whatever, and I put them up there. And then the next morning, I started hearing top. Dude, they drop like flies.
Oh, shit. At the same time, all 3 of them?
In like 10-minute range.
Oh,
I don't know how it happened.
how did they know,
It was
dude?
perfect. So now I had to get them drilled in. But this one is still stuck with the
But
industrial
wait,
grade.
if I can ask, you got drilled in.
only these 2 because
So
what's
to-
happening is जैसे
oh.
जैसे वो गिर रहा है वैसे वैसे मैं drill कराए जा रहा हूँ.
Oh.
So
तो ये कभी भी गिर सकता है.
this one fell, so I got this drilled. Then this one started falling. I got this drilled. This is stuck with the tape.
What was that?
That was the adhesive hook.
So the other 2 can be removed if you want to move them around.
These 2 you can move. Yes.
Okay.
This one you can't. This is also made by my very lovely sister. All 3 of them. This one.
All 3 of your sisters?
All 3 of the sisters made one each.
Nice, dude.
this her friend did. This is on her website.
Oh,
and
so
this-
that actually your sister didn't do.
Yeah, that
is
was
the
the
second
her
person.
friend. She had like helped him or he helped her. I don't know, but they made it together. And this one is based on my cat.
Oh wow.
Yeah, see, one leg is missing.
Hey, nice, dude.
Yeah.
Actually, very cool. Actually, great art.
But guys,
Please check out
yeah,
links
dude, it's
to
a new
Flunk.
house, it's a
guys,
new
yeah.
life, dude.
Yeah, bye. What's it called?
Flunk.
Flunked. Yeah, I flunked stuff, dude.
Okay, and if you can guess where Hoshang lives, I'll give you 500 rupees.
Why? Why do you want them to guess where I live?
Just
what the fuck do
doxing
you
for no
mean?
reason.
What the fuck?
Just saying, Hoshang can read a lot of books now.
Whoa!
If he wants
I
to.
can eat a lot of chart.
A lot of
Chart I can have. I'm just gonna try to make
Yeah,
it.
there's
as-
a-
there are ATMs near my house.
There's a very famous fashion designers.
He's making it a little too specific.
There's
Boutique
Juhu
store.
Beach.
Sea Princess Hotel.
Clip it. Make a reel out of it.
Juhu Beach is right here.
Amitabh's house is a stone's throw away.
He waves me.
Yeah, is that you?
I'm going to give you address.
But yeah, I think
Nice.
so. I think
But
so.
congrats,
Nice.
man. Actually, like very impressive.
Bro.
But the house is
Okay,
good.
wait.
Throw
Like, do you
question.
guys think there's a difference? Okay, we are making you comment a lot. But tell us if you guys
Yeah,
think.
it's-
They stopped commenting. At
Yeah.
this point.
I'm gonna put some pictures. So this is not exactly how it looks when I'm living here, but I'll still put some pictures because I put a lot of effort into this stupid fucking house, which I really love now.
Okay, can I say something?
yeah.
This is the.
Hot takes.
No,
Part of
no,
the
Do you have a
episode.
hot take on my
funniest-
fucking house,
There's
dude?
no hot
Oh,
take.
okay.
This is the funniest thing
Yeah.
that this house has had. When you moved here, this building is going into. This
very
building is
funny.
going into redevelopment.
You know what happened?
Yeah.
So I was downstairs. I was getting the couch up. Okay.
Yeah.
With some like people had come to deliver the couch. I was getting it up, and there was this lady, and she asked me, "Kyo, आप नया furniture ले रहे हो?" I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "I just moved." "No, अभी furniture क्यों ले रहे हो? ये building तो redevelopment में जा रही है." And I was like, "Dude, I came here
Did she give you a time
yesterday."
frame? Anything?
I mean, they've got the developers, like the builders, and now like they're doing the checkup and also it's like a year and a half.
I saw the notice near the gate where they're like, "Yo, we're gonna break this
Yeah.
down."
Yeah.
And Oshang's like, "So new coasters,
New coasters.
new
It's still there.
couch."
Dude, very funny. Something very funny. One of the posters which fell behind my bed in my bedroom.
yeah.
The bed is so heavy that I can't move it to get it out. Okay, so now it'll just get crushed with the house. That
Yeah.
poster.
Dude, this is when I got to know that when Hoshang thinks of decorating, he only thinks of putting up frames.
That's it.
There is
That's all.
nothing. Look
That's
at
the
the
thing.
amount of
That's true.
frames
A lot of
around.
frames, man. A lot of
like,
frames.
okay, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where are the others? 8. There's 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 I can see right now.
Not all on the wall. Some of them he's counting are on a shelf.
I'm just talking about
Oh, you're talking about
frames.
this room? There are more.
I
in the
know there
house.
are more. There are
Yeah.
3 behind the
There are
bed which
three-
no one can see.
There are 3
So-
behind the bed. One is still hanging. It's
Dude,
the lighter
oh,
one.
yeah.
I'll
It's
tell
there.
you like
3 in
here,
the pathway.
yeah, and one in
my
the bathroom.
One in the bathroom.
The cat one. The cat one in the
No,
bathroom.
the cat one I put on top of Myra's cat litter.
Oh, okay,
And
wow.
there's
So
another.
she knows.
There's another
For your cat, there's a frame for your cat.
Yeah, I just said, "Are you pooping?"
It's a frame of your cat. Oh, okay. I thought it's a frame of the,
I'll
of
put
the
a
cat
picture
pooping.
of the frame where it just says, "Are you
Yeah,
pooping?"
Nice.
Take it while she's pooping.
A lot of frames.
Just put an actual picture of her.
Dude, but this is like all. So this wall, you guys can't see it, but there's a wall. ऊपर door के ऊपर एक wall है. He was like, Hoshang was like,
Oh, big
"Man,
frame.
that's empty, dude. I should put a frame, right?" I'm like, "You
There
can
should be a
you
clock
should."
there, dude.
Yeah, that's what we told
yeah,
him. We were
that was
like,
one of
"There's
the
a
things.
clock."
Yeah,
That was
dude.
one of the suggestions which was being thrown around. And I
What,
What do you
knowing
mean?
the time?
Yeah, dude. Clock makes sense above the door.
Bro, I have so like I can look at time or ask. There's an Alexa here.
Okay.
My TV has time.
No, nothing
But
beats
it's a
a wall
classy
clock.
thing, dude. Like,
No,
yeah,
nothing
oh,
beats a
that's
wall
true.
clock. You're just walking, you're like, okay, that's the time, and then you
100%,
go.
100%.
Yeah,
He's
that's,
right.
that's
Yeah,
okay,
he's right.
fine.
It's
okay.
a millisecond
Yeah.
ka commitment.
If, you,
Phone mein
if
you
one
have
of
to.
you, either of you or anyone watching,
What the
wants
fuck
to
do you think is happening? We just give you things over.
What is this, dude?
I believe my house is everyone's house, and
I
they
think
should.
I think he gave his house so that he can get free stuff,
Yeah.
dude. For the
Okay, it's
podcast.
my house, so get out of my house.
Get the fuck out.
Get out of my house, dude.
What are you doing in
What the
my
hell?
house?
It's all of our house, and we should strive to make it better.
It's
for
good.
All of us.
It's
and
good
for
enough.
people who are watching.
It's good enough.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's good enough.
Yeah, yeah. New house.
Bro, okay, I have to tell
Oh,
you.
we're gonna change the lamps also. Shang
Yeah,
said
yeah.
he's gonna buy
We'll
new
get a
lamps.
plant or two.
I am adding.
not a fake plant like
not a single more. You have no idea how much money. Dude, like when I
I
say
do.
when I
I
say
have
a
an
fresh
idea.
start,
You
it
told
means
me.
yeah. Actually, I
So-
told you. Dude, I spend close to. I mean, it's a show about spending money. I just
Yeah.
say it. Bro, like I've never spent this much money together.
Sure,
In
yeah.
like span of like 10-15 days. I've
How much?
spent, Like around close to 3.5 lakhs, dude.
Wow.
Hey,
Which is-
half a lakh increased. You said around
Dude,
3.
More TV and all I bought now after that. Bought a new
Wow, dude.
TV.
Wow, dude. For a year. You have for a
It
year.
takes that much money. In my house, I changed like basic things like put a wallpaper, bought a
Yeah.
TV, thoda udhar idhar badla. That cost nearly 2 lakhs.
Bro, that's-
and that was
it's
very
bizarre.
bought an AC, 3-4 चीजें में ही nearly 2 lakhs. So, dude, if like a full house का सब बदलना तो
You know,
आराम से हो
one
जाता
thing,
है.
so like I was ordering a bunch of shit off Amazon for the kitchen, okay, like all the small things that you need, masala, dani, blah blah blah, whatever, all these boxes, and the total came to like 21,000, and I placed the order. And then I put it in the kitchen. But these things are like inside the shelf, right? So you don't see the money you spent on.
No, you do because
It's like when you use it, you see it a little bit. But I was like,
But-
where did my 20,000
I'll
go?
tell you where in your lunch, in your dinner,
You bought an
in
oven.
your breakfast.
Yeah, no, not that stuff.
Food.
That I can see.
If there's
No, it's
one
not
thing
food,
you-
it's stuff like your kitchen cleaner.
Yeah,
Yeah, but those are like small expenses.
It's a lot. Like it's just a bunch of
A lot
small
of small-
things
yeah,
which
that
are
pile
a
up.
lot.
But dude, those are my
Dude,
favorite things to buy.
pile up, bro.
Small, cool
Yeah,
items. Yeah,
just the
know.
small cool things.
I am a ceramic guy now.
You eat in ceramics?
I eat in ceramic, dude. I
But
become.
do
I'm
they
li-
heat? Are they heat friendly?
I don't have a microwave.
You don't have a microwave?
I don't have
You
a
have only an
microwave.
oven.
He's not a microwave
I'm not
guy.
a
Oven guy.
microwave person. I skipped a generation.
Yeah,
I went
dude.
straight to ceramic.
Gen
But
Z doesn't use microwaves.
they don't use
that a thing?
microwave. They use
I don't
air
know.
fryers, bro. I have an air fryer.
I have an air
By the
fryer.
way,
Wow.
the purpose of an air fryer and microwave are different, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can
it's
you do
just-
what a microwave does in an air
But
fryer?
I
Not
always
everything.
prefer heating it on the pan anyway.
Same. Even I do. I don't
Yeah.
like the taste.
Exactly with microwave. I don't
Microwaves
like
are
that.
super
I mean, I
convenient.
have a
Yeah.
microwave, but like I don't
Yeah.
like.
I don't
I
use-
can
I've-
choose not to use
I've not
it.
had a microwave in like since school.
That doesn't mean it's a good thing because you didn't have a guard for 4
I didn't
years
have a
also.
guard.
If I can recommend one thing to buy
Yeah.
for the house,
Yeah.
buy an electric tandoor.
Bro, this thing is a tandoor also.
Oh, you tried roasting and all?
Yeah, it comes with a rotisserie.
Oh, yeah, you
Put
told
the
me.
photo.
I'll put a photo. It's a Solara air fryer oven 12
8,000?
liter.
6,000.
Amazon Prime
Sponsor
sale, bro.
us.
Amazon Prime sale. It's for 7,500 or 7,900 something, and I got it for 6,300.
Nice.
Bro, I'm telling you, I am thought like this was my dream month because first I had money. That's always great to have. I had money and I could just buy whatever I wanted. I mean, still in like a little bit of a budget.
I see you got a smart fan.
I got a smart fan.
Hey, I just bought one too.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to. It was in my cart. And I was like, I'll buy it later.
Bro.
And then when Hoshang told me about this, I was like, fuck, I was going to buy the fan. So I bought the fan.
I don't know if who has been watching it for how long, but I spoke about it in others
Yeah.
episode where
Sure,
I
yeah.
wanted it. I wanted a remote controlled fan.
I
and
still
just
don't understand
controlled
Only
it.
remote. Is it phone control also?
It's phone is it? No, it's not phone.
It's not phone
control. It's
Show
not
me.
phone control.
I still don't understand.
Why did you
Break
have
the
to-
remote.
Why have to rain on my parade like that, dude?
I still don't understand the purpose of a remote for
It's
a
just
fan.
for convenience.
You don't
really,
get up. That's
Yeah,
it.
like the regulator
it's
is there.
fine.
I agree.
I'll tell you exactly the purpose for it. For me specifically, the other day I was sitting here and Myra came and sat on my lap. Okay,
Oh.
and AC was off, so I was feeling hot, and the fan was on like speed 1. So like, fuck, I don't want to fucking tell Myra to go and then
Okay,
do that.
Moji doesn't sit on my lap. Now what?
I started the sentence by saying specifically for me.
Yeah.
The
No, but
use
I'm
case.
saying, but like, I don't know, because I know
No,
for
what's
a
the excuse for him? Give
Yeah.
him an excuse to have the
Oh,
fan.
you want an excuse to do
No,
it?
I bought it. But
You
I'm
want
saying,
it, but now make him feel good about it.
no. I know I need it because my old fan is really fucked.
Yeah,
so
that was
I
one-
just
that
need
was,
a fan.
That was the second reason I needed
just
because our
need a
last fan was
yeah.
making like wobbly noises.
I
Dude,
just
yeah, I
need a
remember, yeah,
fan.
this
is- Yeah.
No, but the thing is,
Yeah.
with the remote,
Yeah.
the reason I don't like a remote fan is I know the remote will be somewhere else. So I'll have to get up anyway. So
No,
then
I'm
I
pretty-
might as well go and fucking press
I'm pretty
the
organized
switch.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
He keeps things where they're
Where they're
supposed to be.
supposed to be. Yeah.
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 My remotes are all over the place, dude.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
never know where my remotes are.
I'm particular about remotes also.
All the
Very,
time, all the
I'm
time.
the only one in my
don't
house.
give
for
one fuck about the
Bro,
remotes.
अभी तो अपन ने हटाया because we wanted to declutter my coffee table.
It
So,
was
like,
so cluttered.
It was.
yeah, whatever. But so the thing, that elephant thing, I use it for all the remotes only. Like I put all the remotes on top of it because there are like
fair.
3
I will show you that
remotes.
also, yeah.
Fair. Like, I mean, I still have 2-3 things, places where I keep the remote anyway.
Yeah.
But that's very close to the Switch only.
Yeah.
So,
We might as well just,
might as well.
Fair,
Like
fair.
above my shoe rack,
Yeah.
dining table ke wahan, or under the TV. So,
Why is your remote control in the shoe rack?
no, above the shoe rack,
Oh
where there's
yeah,
space
that's
to keep
pause.
stuff.
Correct,
yeah.
correct. I mean, your house is also like bigger than
Yeah.
mine, so there's a lot of more place for you
That's
to
true.
misplace.
That's true. I can
can't-
keep it in my second room if
Yeah,
I
you
want
can
to.
keep it in your second room. That's true. That's true. That's true.
But wait,
Well,
so,
what is? Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
No.
What was like your favorite purchase that you made in this shift?
Ooh, I think this couch.
This couch is beautiful.
This
I have to say.
fucking couch.
Very comfortable also.
Is it fun to sleep on or like lay
The
down
first 3
on?
days I slept on the couch because my mom was here.
Oh,
So,
But you can?
I fully, but it's just my height is I'm a little too tall for the couch, but
You
it's
can
still
sleep on the
comfortable to
recliner,
sleep on.
no?
No, you can't sleep on the recliner.
You can't do karvat on.
Yeah,
That's true.
yeah.
You have to be
yeah.
one way.
Yeah.
Because I am in the market for a couch too, and I've been trying to
I
figure.
really like this couch.
No, but okay, I'll tell you. Like, I like this as a couch, but I also need like an L couch where I can lie the fuck down, and
An
it's
L
almost
couch.
a bed.
That's fair. I like.
L couch में कैसे? How will you?
One side is longer.
One side is longer,
Oh,
no?
one side
So,
is
yeah,
always
yeah.
longer. Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Again, you have space to do that. Like I needed space for this.
Recliner.
I was also
Yeah.
thinking.
Do you
of
have an
getting
L
one.
couch?
I don't. We have multiple like long couches. Yeah.
How many living rooms do you have?
One living room.
Oh, okay.
But it's like
It's big
one set of
enough.
long couch, another set of long couch. I'll show a picture. I don't know how to explain it.
Okay.
But,
Yeah.
Okay, but multiple,
multiple,
couches.
yeah.
Because I want an L, dude. I've always loved.
They look very good.
They look good. No, but dude,
Yeah, but
once you
they're-
lay down,
Yeah.
it's just like a bed, dude.
That's
It's
true.
so fun.
That's true.
Bro,
But
can
they're
I-
so expensive.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
saw some and I saw one. I was like, oh, this is nice. Then I saw 2 lakhs. And I was like, oh yeah, I forgot.
2 lakhs for the couch?
Yeah, L-shaped.
Oh,
Those are
oh.
very
Dude, the
expensive.
craziest ones are the couches, which are also recliners. Have you seen those?
Yes, I
Those
was
are
thinking.
fucking
I was
beautiful, dude.
thinking of
Those
getting
very
those.
expensive. bro.
I know.
Like over a lakh easy.
So
I'm
the
sure.
thing is, my budget when I started out looking for stuff, I must mention because this is I want to toot my own horn a little bit. I killed it with the logistics of deliveries this time.
How?
They all
What?
came
Because-
exactly when you wanted it.
Yes, in the sense that I had like given myself a target. Okay, that by I moved in on the 30th of May and
Where?
where what? In this house.
Where?
In this house.
Oh.
Where is this?
In Bombay. In Bombay.
Every chance I get, I try to
In
dox
Bombay,
it. Huh.
near Bandra.
Chintu Bhaiya's building.
Chintu Pierce building.
Yeah.
As I moved in on 30th of May, and was it May or June?
I don't
June.
remember.
Oh yeah, 30th of June.
Yeah,
You're
June,
right.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
30th
What,
of June.
what month is it?
This is
July.
yeah.
Yeah.
July. So 30th of June I moved in and I had to get back to like work. Like there was a shoot coming up. So but 2nd I needed to get back to work. So I planned all the deliveries in a way where everything got delivered on the 1st of fucking July.
Wow,
Except for like a couple of things which came on 2nd of July.
They
So
didn't
you
get
al-
delayed?
Huh?
They didn't get delayed?
Bro, in the middle of the fucking rainstorm it came. Except for my ceramic. I didn't have my ceramics for the first 2 weeks, okay?
You were 8 off the ground.
I fucking bought these cheap ass plates from Zepto, but now that I have ceramic, it's too fucking heavy. Also, I don't live a ceramic life. Like ceramic is usually for people like when you have like guests
Sure.
over. Also, when you have a dining table.
Yes. Correct. There's no dining table.
Man, take my dining table. I don't want it.
There's no place.
Bro,
for
where the
dining
fuck do
table.
I put the dining
Fair.
table?
Yeah.
But yeah, so I mean, I have a lot of ceramic. I have like a 16-piece ceramic set. But
How much was it for?
so, I want to plug this company. They're called Amrook.in. Okay, my sister and I were looking for ceramic stuff, and we went through a bunch of websites, Amazon, all of it. Okay, because everything was too expensive. We found this website called Amrook.in. They're based out of Jaipur, and they had a clearance sale going on.
Oh wow.
Okay, but I went
So-
to their Instagram page.
Okay.
The clearance sale had been going on since December.
Are they shutting down?
I don't know.
Oh,
They
shit.
just,
Like,
keep
The
making
last
more.
customer.
They just like, it's not clearing.
It's not
only
clearing.
cleared
So I bought it off them. Great quality stuff. If I can put pictures if you all want. But go to amrook.in, dude, and help them
How
clear
much was it for?
I got a 16-piece set plus a chip plate, like a chip and dip
Acha,
plate, the
beach
wooden
mein dip
one. Yeah,
and, yeah.
it's a heavy wooden grade. Heavy grade is the word.
I don't know.
Industrial grade.
Industrial grade wooden chip and dip plate,
Okay.
and a bunch of like those thick ass plates. What do you call
Quarter
them?
plates, smaller
Not
plates?
quarter plates. Quarter plates are part of the 16-piece
16
set. Like
pieces.
those in which you make like overnight oats and all. Like in which you make your
The
protein.
jars.
The smoothie bowls.
Jars.
Not jars, like the smoothie
Oh,
bowls.
like
Acha, acha,
bowls,
got it,
like
got it.
bowls.
big
Bowls.
bowls. Yeah. But smoothie
Got it.
bowl ones. Everything for like 4K.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's not bad at all. Everything else on Vari and Amazon and all of these places were like easy 5K.
Vari is very
Just for the
expensive.
16-piece set. I got,
Vari
like,
is
other
very
shit.
expensive.
But Vari is just Amazon, but just for house stuff. You can get the same stuff on Amazon.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Bro,
I go to
know
Vari.
everything. You want to move houses, you ask me.
No. I know enough, but like you know more.
I
Obviously.
know everything, bro. It's a smart fucking house, dude. You've seen it.
Dude, his lights are controlled by his phone, which is again
My
pretty
phone
cool.
and that Alexa also.
And Alexa also. Yeah.
Alexa also.
Can you
Shout out,
try
dude.
Alexa? Switch off the lights.
No, you have to say switch
says
off
sorry.
living room lights.
Oh,
Alexa, switch off living room lights.
oh,
What? Alexa, switch on living room lights.
You know what's
That
funny?
is
Everyone
Oh
who-
no, that light has changed, Robert.
No, it's
No,
the
it's
same.
same, it's
Yeah.
same.
You know, everyone who has an Alexa at their home and watching it on their TV.
Sabka ho gaya. Yes, correct. Yeah.
Everyone.
Correct.
Okay,
Same
let
thing
me-
with
no, wait.
OK Google.
Yeah,
turn
yeah,
off
yeah,
lights.
exactly.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like, okay, Google,
Yeah.
switch off living room
No
lights.
TV is
Yeah.
listening.
Switch off AC. Yeah, correct.
Okay, Siri. Hey, Siri.
Now all our phones are listening. Bro, we are surrounded by AI.
Dude,
Who
I
else is
remember this.
left?
I remember like Coffee with Karan 1 year had Google Home as a sponsor.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, so every episode he would go like he would do like a segment on OK Google, and he was like, "Hey Google, please tell me this," and every single time my phone would stop.
Bro.
While I'm
Oh, by
playing
the way, the
Coffee
TV
with
is
Karan.
still taking all of this.
Okay, I
Oh,
just
wow,
turned
dude.
off the TV.
Damn, dude.
Bro, I was so impressed by the TV delivery because again I ordered it on 4th of July.
Yeah.
And again it was like the
Oh,
heaviest
you mean
rainfall.
You mean
4 days
what's it
after.
called? 4th of July only.
Independence Day,
Yeah, they don't call
America's
it Independence Day.
Independence Day.
America
Yeah.
always call it 4th of July.
Yeah.
That's so dumb.
Yeah, boy, just call it 15th of August, bro. 15th of August is
yeah,
coming.
but we like, matlab, we don't just say
Say
the
15th of August, yeah. We
Huh.
are because we care about our country, right?
Yeah, those Americans,
Yeah.
dude. Yeah. I still need the visa, so I'm
Yeah,
not
why
gonna
will
say
Americans care about our country? What?
much. I'm
Yeah.
talking about their
I
country,
know,
4th of
I'm
July.
Yeah, losers. But I ordered it on 4th of July. It was the Prime sale again. Bought it on Prime Day, and on Monday in the middle of rain, dude, like heavy rain, like the heaviest day of rain, fucking TV arrived.
Wow, dude.
So
Man,
I'm
a good
actually-
TV, man. PC, yeah.
I'm actually more sad than impressed because that guy had to deliver the TV.
I didn't
Like,
ask. I didn't call him. I was like, you get it whenever you can. He was like, मैं आपके घर बिल्डिंग के नीचे में फिर आजा भाई अब तो आए ही है इतना दूर तो लगा दे.
What TV is this?
This is TCL something, but all I know is it's 55-inch and it has 120 hertz
120
from my
hertz,
PlayStation.
huh?
Yes,
Oh, wow.
that's all I
Oh,
needed.
that's damn cool.
Mine is
Yeah.
60, but it's Sony Bravia, so I like it.
I was Sony Bravia. Also,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm like, yeah, I was Sony.
You have
Nice,
like
yeah.
how many?
Like 3 Sony.
Yeah, I knew.
That was- yeah,
I knew
yeah.
there were multiple
Yeah,
coming.
yeah.
That's what it is.
Now I need to get a projector for my room. I don't want to put a TV in my room. I want to get a small projector for my room.
Get it.
That's
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
I think get it.
Guys, I'm gonna put a
Get it
wish,
for our
Amazon
house.
wish list in the description. Whoever wants to buy me stuff from there, please.
Yeah,
feel free
all
to
the best,
buy.
dude. I want to see if that works.
I want to
Actually
see
do it.
if someone's
Yeah.
fucking buying you
Yeah,
anything,
yeah.
dude. That is
Don't
the
buy me stuff,
wildest
If
thing.
someone
I-
can buy him new cushion covers for these
Bro,
cushions.
yeah,
Oh.
that actually I'll take.
Yeah.
I'll take.
This is so bad.
I have to. I mean, I'm broke. My
If-
mom
no,
hates
okay.
it, dude. My
Hosha,
mom
Hosha.
fucking hates these
Yeah,
cushion
yeah.
We'll get you
Oh,
cushion
fair.
covers.
okay, I'll take
I'm
anything.
saying if you were going this crazy,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
being like I'll spend 3.5 lakhs.
Close to 3.5
Okay,
lakhs.
yeah, close to 3.5 lakhs.
Yeah.
500,000.
Bro, the
you
thing
couldn't
is, when
spend
I say
extra?
I'm starting fresh, I mean in my bank account also. Like, I have not
Okay,
seen money in
sure.
lakhs in a long time.
Sure, but 500 you couldn't spend
yeah.
extra.
I mean, I have to choose. I have to choose.
16 set का वो जो crockery खरीदा तूने.
Again, when I bought
500?
that, when I bought that, I
तू
was-
8 सेट का खरीद सकता था. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती.
Yeah,
तेरे
16
तेरे लोग नहीं आ रहे तेरे घर.
bro, वो set मैंने अभी तक बाहर निकाला ही नहीं
Yeah, of course,
है.
why do you use it?
The other
What
day,
is it?
Shahan and Govind came, okay,
Yeah.
and I made some food for them.
Oh, wow.
But I was like, I don't want to wash these dishes later.
तो प्लास्टिक प्लेट में खाओ तो लोग.
So I got one plate out and I made all three of them.
16 का सेट है वो. उसमें एक दे रहा
This
है.
guy.
But he can't fucking get a
Get
new
it.
cushion cover.
Nice.
There's no excuse. You can't be like मेरे पैसे खत्म हो गए क्योंकि ये महंगा नहीं
भाई
है.
मेरे पैसे खत्म हो गए सारे घर के खर्चे में. मैंने भाई प्रोटेस्ट में इतना सारा खाना भेजा है. Like I just don't have money anymore.
ओहो हो बीच में बस अपना खुद का
I
मैंने
know.
भी भेजा है. ठीक है
You तो should.
क्यों तू मेरे पे मत डाल. मैं तू
I
मेरे
don't
पे मत डाल.
I don't know why
तो
you should,
क्या
but you
होता है?
should. Everyone should.
Dude, the first time I think I sent money बोल रहा हूँ food to Jantar Mantar. Swiggy से किया या Zomato कहीं से तो मैं किया. I ordered whatever I ordered.
Yeah.
And then that guy reached there and he called because code भी देते थे. तो he called and he said हाँ भैया मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया हूँ. I was like हाँ ठीक है जिनको भी देना दे दो वहाँ पर. And he was like पुलिस को दे दो. I was like पुलिस को क्यों दे रहा है भाई?
What is this, dude?
मैं पुलिस को थोड़ी मंगाया हूँ यार.
आपके आपकी लाठी थोड़ी कम लग रही थी. आपने शायद खाना नहीं खाया.
पागल हो गया हो क्या? I'm here feeding the police
Yeah,
right now,
dude.
dude.
Too funny.
What did you say?
I told him नहीं अंदर वो protesters के लिए. And he's like हाँ वो लोग लेने आते हैं. I'm like हाँ वहाँ दो पुलिस को नहीं भाई.
It'd be so
पुलिस तो
funny.
अपने आप ले रही थी ना.
बाकी सारे
किसी के लिए चला रहे.
ड्राइवर्स बाकी सारे डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स जंतर मंतर प्रोटेस्ट वालों को खाना दे रहे हैं और एक डिलीवरी पार्टनर
पुलिस वाले को दिए जा रहा हूँ.
एंड देन सम मीडिया पर्सन कवर्स इट आल्सो. ओ ये किसने
wow,
भेजा?
so
ये
sweet.
गोविंद मेनन ने
भेजे जा रहे हैं.
पुलिस के लिए भेजा है खाना. मिस्टर गोविंद मेनन.
Dude, I freaked out, dude.
Yeah.
I was just like नहीं पुलिस को नहीं.
That's fine. Yeah.
पुलिस को नहीं. I don't know why
So
he
funny.
even mentioned it. I think
Yeah.
he saw a cop and he was like, man, they'll steal it, dude. So I'll just ask
People
him.
will think it's like trying to do some kind of viral reel moment, no?
What?
Like those giving a roast to cops goes
Yeah,
viral.
yeah.
Shreya Prem did.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, correct. Shreya Prem did. So you'll do that, right? You'll be like give food to cops.
McDonald's.
McDonald's to cops.
वो वहाँ
Why
पे
not?
तोड़ना है. बट इसको वहाँ पे जाके
नाम
चिकन
जाके,
लेग
हाँ.
देना चाहिए था उसको. देखो जैसे श्रेया प्रियम ने
हाँ.
रोज दिया था
मैं
चिकन
chicken
लेग
McGrill.
chicken McGrill cop को दे रहा हूँ.
McGrill.
Dude, and I think this was around the time cops were doing whatever the fuck they were doing. So I was
Yeah.
like, dude, worst time to why am I giving them
Yeah, give them
McDonald's?
more energy.
That is it's the most insane thing to do.
Give them some protein to
आप
get
थक
to
गए
the
होगे बहुत.
उसके बाद से I called every delivery guy. I was
Yeah.
like, आपने किसको दिया है भाई? I don't know what is happening there, dude. These like I hope I gave it to.
Give it to Vijeta Gaya. The guy who needs it most. Oh, lovely, man. Just what I wanted.
that
Thank you,
guy-
Gold Marin.
that guy is hilarious,
Me, Vijeta
dude.
Gaya, saying thank you to Gold
भाई घर
Marin.
जाके खा लेता भाई. मैं तेरे को मॉल में बैठ के
भाई मैं सच में उसके लिए भेज देता एक कि अरे तू खा ले
तू तो खा ही ले भाई.
खा ले भाई मैं तेरे लिए ही भेज रहा हूँ. Please don't do this, dude.
और फिर गाड़ी में बैठ के खाते खाते क्या पड़ा कि चले वीडियो रुकता है. At least if you had wanted to make a video, it would be
Yeah.
a lot. It would have been fine if we went back to the protest and then having it.
Bro,
and
what's
then
the-
making it.
what's
That would at least
exactly.
look good,
That-
optically look
I
fine.
don't think
Exactly.
anyone had a problem with them
Yeah.
eating. Of course,
No,
no one
you
has a
gotta
problem
eat,
with
man.
them eating.
Yeah.
You gotta
Everyone's
eat.
gonna call McDonald's there only. वो
Yeah,
तो लेने चला गया क्या
obviously
problem हुई?
eat, but
Yeah.
man, don't walk near PVR
It
and
is what it
look
is.
window shop.
Yeah,
and
what's the
all.
difference between him eating that burger in a in that car and then Dharmendra Pradhan wishing happy birthday to whoever the fuck? It's the same thing. You guys are just not seeing what's going on. That celebration is also too funny when they are just dancing. Which I understand. But just wait, dude. Just wait a couple of days.
What do you want to talk about?
What?
The protest?
Yeah, like you guys went.
Yeah,
Both of you went
yeah,
to the Bombay once.
yeah.
What is the craziest thing you saw there? Nothing
The
happened.
one
Right? Everything
I
was
went
peaceful.
to was very chill, dude. There was a party
was too
going
chill.
on. Mine was too
Yeah.
super
I mean,
chill.
I was there, but I
Yeah.
reached there late.
Yeah, when I went, there was an MC there. There
I
was
went
a
to the one which was not
Yeah,
that chill.
Yeah.
But I was just between people, so I
Yeah.
just crowd. Once there was a huge crowd, they weren't really.
Were people arrested? Like you went on the day that Ronak and
Yeah,
Arif
yeah,
were
I
arrested,
went on
right?
the I was on my way to the
Yeah.
protest when on the group someone said Ronak got detained. I was like, should I just take a U-turn? What am I going there right now? Why, like, who goes there when someone's like, Abhish also detained? I'm like, yeah, I'm reaching to get detained.
Bro, I felt so annoyed because the same time when the message came that Ronak got detained, I had another message like call starting in 6 minutes. I like, fuck dude, Ronak is detained. I can't get on this Lakme call right now.
No, but I was also in my Uber car, nicely sitting, going to get detained. I was like, this is so random, dude. But no, that was a little tiny bit scary because you didn't know if they were going to detain you or
Yeah.
no.
Wasn't there something about like everyone was sharing their live locations on the group?
Yeah, yeah.
वो तो
And
हर
then-
protest में
wait,
कर रहे हैं.
Yeah,
I'll tell you.
that's
Oh, yeah,
right.
that
Yeah,
was the
yeah,
funniest.
yeah.
I think I told you
Ah,
also,
yeah,
right, कि everyone was sharing their live location on the group.
Yeah.
So it was a cluster
So like
of
all-
people.
all the comics. Yeah,
all, a cluster of comics
Yeah.
in one place.
Yeah.
Abhish,
Because he got arrested and
15 minutes
detained
away
in
is
Matunga.
somewhere else because he got arrested. Just one, it looked like he's protesting
so
alone in Matunga. किसी
And
ने
then
उसको
reels
गलत
of him,
बता दिया.
and then reels of him playing balloon
Yeah.
with the fellow arrestees.
किसी ने उसको
Fellow-
गलत लोकेशन बता दिया ऐसा लग रहा है वो बस अकेला.
Guys, where is everyone?
Where is everyone?
The funniest was in the group. So everybody was like discussing कि जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे इतने बजे पहुंच रहे हैं. And then protest खत्म हो गया, घर आ गए. Next दिन के सुबह 4 बज रहे हैं, ठीक है. And then Jose message करता है group पे, guys, I'm here. Where is everyone?
He just kept doing it on days when there was no protest.
At 4 in the morning.
so funny.
Like, guys, where is everyone?
Guys, सब घर चले गए क्या? क्या चल रहा है? Abhish, are you still around?
Oh man! But that 20-second
You're right,
wala
that was the
protest
20-second one.
was a little scary. क्योंकि you didn't know, dude. You
Yeah.
see cops, you're like,
Yeah,
थोड़ा दूर
22nd
जाता.
one was the main one because the girl with the
was-
van
yeah, that
came
was-
out of that.
Yeah.
But
See, if they had permission to, there was no
that
permission.
day they
That
didn't
day
have
there
a,
was no permission.
they didn't have an official
No.
permission.
So
I think.
yeah, I don't think there was an official permission. And even if there was, they can fuck you around, fuck around.
They
with
can,
you.
of course.
The 24th one was by Shiv Sena.
Shiv Sena, yeah.
So that
Oh,
they
that
can't
they
do
don't do
anything.
They
No,
couldn't.
they
भाई
can't do
दोनों वहाँ पे थे.
Yeah.
Oh, Raj or
No, even in
Aditya-
this one,
Aditya
even in
Thackeray
this
and
one,
Raj
Raj Thackeray and Amit Thackeray had come out
Oh,
of their
acha.
house
Yeah.
for like 2 minutes, and then they went back in. But then like they had come, but then baki sab to the cops could do whatever they could want to do.
In the peaceful one, with the one I went to, so मेरे सामने police van थी, and there was this guy who like people are like all chanting and all of this, and this guy like gets all like energized and adrenaline hits him, and he gets on top of the police van, okay?
Oh, yeah.
And everybody was like पहले तो like everybody like hyped him up.
हाँ, फिर तो लगा पिटेगा.
Ah, वही like I'm like oh fuck. So me and my friends they were like पीछे चलते हैं, अब कुछ होएगा. So he's there, okay, and he's chanting, and people like yeah, and then the police guy came and he's trying to bring him down. And then that guy asked everyone, नीचे आऊँ क्या? And everyone like, actually आजा नीचे, क्योंकि we still want to continue protesting. We don't want to get fucking लाठी charge and all that. So like नीचे आऊँ, like हाँ, चलो ठीक है. And then he just came down and everybody continued.
And the cops didn't do anything. Like,
They
hit
didn't
him
do
on the
anything.
back of the
They
head.
weren't
or
allowed to also. But like Bombay police in general, it was good in this protest.
Sure.
But I think they
It
just
was
had
done by
orders.
Shiv Sena, so they
Yeah,
could not
they
do
couldn't
anything.
do
can't do
anything
much,
about it.
They can't do anything.
It's actually about what orders these guys have from
Yeah,
up top.
exactly.
Yeah,
Whether
that's
they have to be
true.
rough about
That's
it, whether
true.
they
Raj
don't have to
Thackeray-
be.
No, but Delhi police, so they are just like aggressive.
Raj Thackeray
But didn't
said-
you hear what they were saying to Rajiv Gandhi?
But
Sorry,
do
Rahul
you
Gandhi.
buy it?
No, of course not, dude. Are you serious?
Like Rahul Gandhi came and said, no, when they were which by the
No,
way,
no, he
when
was-
that happened,
But I think he was joking about when he said it only.
I don't think he was joking.
He was like
No,
being
I think he
cheeky.
meant
He
it
was
only.
being cheeky.
He was being cheeky, dude. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Exactly.
But dude, that was the moment when I was like lost it. Like I was hysterical when I saw that they picked up Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah, that's true.
That's insane, dude. Do they not know who he
Like
is?
exactly, dude. The optics again are gonna always look terrible for you, man.
You can't
Why
just
would you
pick
do that?
up Rahul Gandhi.
And also, like, he's lying on the ground, you're trying to pick him up. He's gonna look great. Looking great and all.
Yeah,
this.
dude, those photos are going to be so
Yeah,
good.
dude.
And they didn't
Yeah.
learn from picking up Sonam Wangchuk. Like they picked them up first. That's what
The
I-
white
that's
sheet
what
thing.
people
What a
have.
photo, dude.
That's
That white
the
sheet
same
thing, yeah,
photo.
correct,
And then they just keep picking people up. Not, even in the detain, like
That's
they're just
why I
detaining
was scared.
people.
I was like, man,
pick up
Man, yeah,
people.
yeah.
dude, I was like, if they're picking up Rahul Gandhi, what am I doing?
You are
They'll
you.
just
Yeah,
pick me up.
exactly. It's very funny.
But it is impressive still what they ended up managing to do.
What happened?
What
That's
is
true. Bro,
at
it
least
was-
even this? If anything comes out of it, also we don't know.
I
if
mean, it
actually
came
makes
out. He
correct.
resigned, but I
if
mean,
it makes
whatever
any
the guy
difference to the
replaced.
betterment of India,
Betterment
we
to
don't
kya, bhai,
really
the
know.
other guy is worse than the last guy.
That's what it seems like.
Yeah.
Imagine, we were saying now
It
there will be
was-
protests
I don't-
about, okay, no, get that guy back. We want him back. Get Pradhan back in office. We don't want this
Yeah,
dude,
Prahlad
dude, we
Joshi
want
comes and
Joshi.
I was
Yeah, yeah.
like, what the fuck? No,
No, get him
that's-
back. No,
What
no.
is this, dude?
Yeah.
I didn't know there could be worse.
Even the fact when like he resigned and the next day he went to the parliament, they are उसके ऊपर माला
Full
वाला
party,
dance
भाई.
वांस कर रहे हैं भाई.
Man,
ऐसे-
it's all of this is, dude. It had been exhausting because
Yeah.
after that I checked my screen time after
Oh,
the
yeah,
protest
dude.
thing got over.
I don't know.
Dude, it was like 15 hours a day. And I was like, that's the day. Why? That's the whole day.
What am I doing? Yeah.
I was fully consumed,
day.
dude.
Fully
I was
consumed.
fully
एक भी
consumed.
meme miss नहीं
Bro,
किया
I
मैंने.
made-
अरे meme की वजह से I was just like,
Yeah.
what is happening,
I
dude?
did zero work. Like I made zero
Yeah,
money that
fair,
week
fair,
because
fair.
I was like I can't think
One-
about
yeah.
anything.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna go put brand videos.
Yeah, what do you do?
What have you been spending on, man?
I though haven't been spending. Actually, I mean, I bought this fan.
You bought the exact same fan?
Just now,
Yeah, just
literally
now.
when
Arey,
you
no,
were setting
but
up.
see, no, that was in my cart. Nah, that's what I showed you
Yeah.
because I had been like, ठीक है ये खरीदता हूँ. Then I forgot. Then you reminded me कि oh, should I had to buy the fan because
Bro,
that the
I-
capacitor ही होता है ना उसका.
Capacitor.
Capacitor ही होता है I think. उसमें वो पूरा ही खराब है. So when it's at 5, it's full speed.
Oh,
then I
and
keep
then-
it at 4.
And it's like
it's
one.
off. It's just nearly off.
I've had that.
And
Do
I
you-
changed it and it still hasn't been
Do you
fixed.
like change the like? Do you alter the knob often?
Barely.
No?
Dude,
Okay.
it's always at 5.
Okay.
So now I got this fan and man, I told you, but dude, I'm thinking of getting a new car as I said, but dude, those calls, I गलती से entered car देखो
Oh, bro.
का anyone if you're watching. Are you guys insane, dude?
Stop
Are you guys
harassing this
insane?
person, dude.
I just
Yeah.
entered car dekho and just looked at one car. Dude, at least 15 calls, man. 15 calls, WhatsApp messages ke liye, hi. Like 4 eyes in the hi. I'm like, whoa,
Yeah.
you guys are
Wait,
getting
these are just people who are trying to sell their cars or people from Car Dekho?
I think people from car dekho. People from car dekho.
Okay.
People
So,
from car
but like
dekho.
these are like resellers. They're like second
Ah,
hand.
yeah, these are all
cars.
resellers. They just went crazy, but I need a car, dude.
Why?
I've been used to a car, okay?
Yeah.
Throughout my life, ever since I've turned 18, even before that, honestly.
Yeah, I
but-
started driving at 13.
Yeah,
14.
you,
14.
you, Jaipur has no rules, but
Yeah.
in Bombay, whether you can't
Yeah.
do it,
What, you
publicly-
just put an L sign and you drive to it?
and there's just a chotu kid behind, like, what? He's learning history, not even driving. He's learning history.
Learning how to live.
He's in school. No, but I started driving when I was 18,
Yeah.
so I'm too used to a
Yeah.
car,
Yeah.
like the
Sure.
option of a car.
Yeah, it's-
and I sold my car abhi recently.
Yeah.
It sucks, dude. I need because it's not just driving. Also, it's a nice third space I had, like a nice private space in the city, even when I'm out in the open. Now it's Ubers. I don't like it, dude. इसमें जोर से गाना बजा के चलाने में.
What
it's
made you
so
sell your
nice.
why did you sell your Prius car?
Because it was too old. Too
old.
Oh, the
It was
I-20 you sold?
कब का है?
Yeah,
When did you sell it?
Like about a year back or something.
Yeah. Easily been
I
a year.
remember, yeah.
Oh.
I sold it way back.
Oh, fuck.
Because it was too old. And that was like, there was no purpose to it.
Okay, that's what you used to do to old things, dude?
Old things? Yes.
Okay.
Old things? Yes. You should have said old people.
Yeah,
I would have
are you
फंस
gonna do
जाता
that?
फिर.
Are you going to do that to old people
No,
also?
dude.
Like what
Would you
happens?
sell old people?
I don't know. You just put them in a home or something?
No, dude.
Okay.
Old things.
Old things. Fair.
But now I want a new car.
I miss my car too, dude.
I love my car.
driving.
dude.
Man,
No.
that's what.
Yeah,
See,
that's
I
the car you
was,
wanna
I
buy,
was
right?
just thinking about a car. Then I drove his car that
Yeah.
It
day,
is dope
and I was
as
like,
dude.
"Oh my god,
It's
this
so
is
good.
what I miss,
Oh,
dude.
I love it.
It's so
But you
fun."
also
MG
drove
Windsor.
it at night without any traffic. Is it
That's
as
the best
fun?
time to
No,
get
but
that
see,
car.
exactly.
Yeah,
But the distances I have to travel, whenever I have to travel from wherever to wherever, like it's always odd timings. It's when the traffic is on the other side.
Oh yeah, sure. So
And-
you always miss the traffic
But
as well.
what about
Yeah,
parking?
mostly I do.
Oh, that's cool,
What
man.
about parking?
Yeah, I know that's the
Parking
biggest.
is a bitch. Yes.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
fucking biggest problem,
Dude,
But
this
I'll
is-
take it, dude. I
Yeah.
get personal space, which is nice.
What do you mean
Uber
personal
में
space?
no Uber में dude it's not I
What
don't
do you,
like
what
it.
do you want to do during your commute?
Listening
that you
to
need?
music and
Listen
just
to music,
being by
man. That's a
myself.
big thing.
But why can't you?
What the fuck do you mean? You don't have to negate everything.
No, I'm not
saying.
negating. I'm just saying what
See, you're giving it to Uber,
Yeah.
or you're spending the money traveling yourself, driving yourself.
Yeah.
No, driving. I'm not against driving. I love driving. I wanted to get a car so I can like start driving again. I would.
Yeah.
it's
Wait,
the
are you
best.
gonna ask our followers to get you a car?
Not me.
Yes,
you.
please, if they
you,
can.
You get a
Then-
car.
Can
Right?
you
Get us
go
a-
fund me?
get me a
Is
car.
there a Spendabender vehicle?
I want an
GoFundMe?
EV. I want an EV because there's no way I'm spending money on
E20.
E20.
I'm such a nice person. I'm asking for small things like a lamp or a coffee table and all. And directly this guy like, give me
Yeah.
a car.
Give me an EV car.
This entitled person.
Give me an EV car.
Dude, we've seen our subreddit. We know the kind of people that are listening to this podcast.
Yeah, that's
They can
true.
afford cars.
You guys are like
Hey,
high
wait,
net
okay.
worth individuals
Hey,
and all.
sorry. If you do know what, like, where do I get used EV cars? What's a good
Oh,
place
if
to
you're
look?
selling yours, please get in
If
touch.
you're selling
Yeah,
yours,
DM.
Yo, you want
Drop a DM, dude.
if you want somebody to drive, like if you want spend a vendor person to drive your car.
Boom, for free. No. Tell me if anyone knows
You
anything.
know what you should do? You know how if people have a Patreon, they give like shout out at the end of a video.
Yeah, sure.
If somebody gives you their car, just put their name at the back of the car. Like even in my car growing up, I had my name.
We'll just do the podcast in the car from now on.
Yeah,
Hey,
why not?
thank you so much, Roshan, for giving us
This car.
This
The new
car.
studio.
This is our studio.
If anybody wants to give me a vacuum cleaner, let me know. Is this how we gonna get stuff
A
done?
car vacuum cleaner?
I just want a
But the
vacuum
thing with
cleaner.
an Uber is, क्या बोलते हैं? I just like being in a car alone
No,
and
I get
listening
it,
to a
I get it.
podcast
I
of
love
music.
driving.
I get it,
I
that's
get
And
it.
driving, it's therapeutic
best.
at night
is. Yeah,
and
it is.
irritating during the day, but
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
still
It's
nice.
just, I've never driven in Bombay for like consecutively. Like I don't because I've never had a car. So like every time I've driven in Bombay, it's if I'm driving in daytime, it's just the traffic is.
No, but
It is
see,
pissing
Because
off,
I've
man,
grown
yeah.
up driving
It
in
is,
Jaipur,
yeah,
and there's just like even if it's traffic, it's not like
It's moving
That's not-
traffic.
it's
it's not
always
this
moving.
traffic.
It's,
It's
not,
not
this
this
traffic
traffic.
at all, and it's fun to drive there because you can also reach anywhere in Jaipur in like 15 minutes. But here, it's
You're-
like
you're
I don't
stuck.
know.
But that's what every commute is at least 50 minutes.
Yeah, easy.
Now,
Anywhere you want to go.
If you like driving, you can get by on very
But if you're
easy.
driving like
yeah.
it's the option. If there is a lot of traffic.
एक mood के ऊपर है, हाँ.
Yeah, if there is a lot
That's
of traffic
true.
and I don't want to drive, I won't. Or I'll take the train. But if there's less traffic, I can take the... And also, I can go anywhere. It's not like, oh, अब यहाँ Uber book करना पड़ेगा. If I'm like, मुझे यहाँ जाना है, I can just take my car, go and come back, dude.
That's true.
I don't have to be like, yo, Uber. It's more freedom. I
Yeah.
realized it when the car went. I was like, shit, I can't do
That's
some
true.
stuff in that way.
That's true.
I mean, I was thinking of getting a car, but I'll have to pay 5,000 extra for parking in this building. Like, I can't do that. That's too much.
Bro, लाखों की गाड़ी खरीदेगा 5,000 की खर्च कर
अरे
रहा
देख रहे हैं कुशन
Yeah,
जैसे
cushion के
सब
same
खरीदा
cushion नहीं
500
होगा।
का कुशन नहीं खरीद पाया पैसे खत्म
That's
हो
how it
गए
adds up, bro. First it's cushion cover for the couch, then it's cushion cover for the fucking
car.
car.
कॉफी
Never fucking ends,
600 का
bro.
कॉफी खरीदा इसने वो दिन उसने में एक कुशन आ जाता पता है
Car comes with cushion covers already. You don't have to get a separate
I know, but you want to add stuff
just
to your car.
get a car and
Yeah.
get that cushion here
No,
that's
my,
it
my sister the other day was like, I'm thinking of getting a car. Like, who do you think we are? What do you
Wow,
mean
dude.
you can get a car? But
Uh,
that turns out you can. Like, वो भी कार देखो वगैरह भी देख.
या उसको भी कॉल कर रहेगा
हाँ, मेरे को नहीं पता. Like, you keep me out of this conversation.
I'll call your sister be like hey hi are you looking for cars from car dekho I just called to
But she doesn't even know how to drive yet. She's like, first I'll learn, and then I'll go
Wow.
get a car.
What?
Nice.
Yeah.
That's great, dude.
that's not what
That's nice. Dude, have you like if since you're on car dekho, you do tend to sometimes go down the luxury car.
Of course I do.
Yeah, you did,
I
right?
went to the
and then you went, you
Mercedes
see,
and
yeah, correct.
Audis
You
and
see those, and you're like,
Audis
oh,
and,
I could. Should I
Dude,
just splurge?
I'll tell you why I stopped looking at the luxury ones also because I was checking, I checked, and then I saw a Mercedes one, and I saw the Ioniq, Hyundai Ioniq.
Beautiful car.
Sexy car.
Beautiful.
No, but then I saw all those. It said 35, 43. For a millisecond, I was like, oh yeah, okay. Then I was like, I don't have this. What the fuck?
Yeah,
am
what
I
do you mean? Okay.
It was just numbers. I didn't really.
That and also like you imagine it's gonna be in crores. And then
Yeah,
you see it in the
yeah.
lakhs, 30s mein. So like,
Yeah,
okay,
and
maybe
you
I
see
can
it
stretch
below
it out, but then you're
the
like,
real-
What's your budget right now for a
I
car?
have no clue, but it's below the real on-road price
Yeah,
of those
yeah.
cars. No?
Yeah,
When you
yeah.
see those cars
Oh.
for cheaper
Correct,
as
correct.
used
Okay,
cars,
okay.
you're like, fuck. But I don't have that money
money,
to
true,
buy
bruh.
that.
Yeah, yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
another
So then I
company.
immediately removed the luxury part. I was just like, budget, come
But do you
karo.
know about cars or like
know
enough
about
about cars, like the horsepower and stuff like that?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, just horsepower.
Okay.
He's an F1 guy. Dude.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
F1
he's an
guy.
F1 guy, dude.
Cars, dude,
Ah,
I
you
know
know more about
cars
cars.
throughout
I
my
don't know
life,
anything
dude.
about cars.
But I don't know too much about EVs. I'll be honest. I don't know how.
Even I only did the research
Yeah.
for buying my car, and I'm lucked out because it's the best car in that segment, the MG Windsor, the most leg space, the driving is fucking phenomenal. I'm very happy, dude.
Dude,
it's a nice
Another,
car.
someone in my building has a BYD, which is also beautiful.
I checked BYD.
dude.
Man, BYDs are supposed to be cheaper electric cars, but I don't know if it's the import duty, what it
cheaper
is. The
luxury
taxes,
electric cars.
No, the taxes
right?
are insane here, I guess,
Yeah,
for
probably,
that
yeah,
because 43. 30 something, there's nothing
Yeah,
below
yeah, yeah.
28 or something, dude.
Damn.
That's the cheapest.
Damn.
I was like, "Bhai, nahi, tum logi rakho, bhai." I saw Tesla today.
You
I'm
saw
coming
Tesla?
here.
Yeah,
I'm coming
I
here.
saw
I
Tesla,
thought,
yeah.
oh, you were right behind
No,
me.
no, I saw one recently. Yeah, yeah.
Acha, okay.
So like, yeah, they are starting to be around now in India.
I saw a Tesla. I was like,
So expensive though.
Tesla?
Nice, yeah.
No, those are very expensive.
Very
Teslas are very, what, 80?
I think, yeah, that sounds about right.
When in school, when we were getting me my car, they asked me कि क्या चाहिए कार में. I said मेरे को सिर्फ Bluetooth चाहिए. I know nothing else about
Yeah,
cars.
fair.
बस गाड़ी में Bluetooth
कितने
होना
साल का था
चाहिए. 16,
अबे तू तो
17.
चलाता था तभी
हाँ, मैं चलानी आती है मेरे को. I just don't know. I've never gotten into कि oh कौन सा engine कैसा है. V3, V2.
you have what, 16 years of experience already?
driving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're not even 30. That's just illegal. That's just so illegal.
Nice. So what car did you get then?
Grand i10.
Oh, great.
Oh, nice.
Grand
I
i10.
also used to have a Grand i10.
Yeah. I loved Grand i10. It's fucking great.
Man,
Red color.
No, I think silver.
Okay.
But it came with the Bluetooth. Yeah, and it had like steering controls, which I thought was pretty cool at the time.
Yeah,
Dude, so in Kerala, my dad has a Sonnet, na? So I drive that whenever I'm in Kerala.
Kia
and-
Sonnet, if anyone's on.
Kia Sonnet. So I drive that. I love driving it. It's a nice
Great
automatic
car, yeah.
Sonnet. It's so fun. But it has those, behind the steering wheel,
Paddle
ye
shifts.
wala paddle shifts
Yeah.
gear ka. So once I was driving and I was just like, ooh,
Oh,
paddle
what
shifts.
happens here?
What happens here? And I
Yeah.
just like, as if I'm driving an F1 car,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just
yeah.
started
What
doing.
happens?
No,
It-
those are
it-
gears.
they're
Those are
like-
gears.
Oh.
You have to put it in manual mode,
Yeah.
and you can go gear up.
Yeah, you
gear
can
down.
go gear up, gear up,
okay,
gear
so
down.
options and add an option.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. And I just started doing it, thinking कि ये क्या है कुछ नहीं होगा.
Yeah.
And then
And it suddenly,
yeah, it was
Yeah.
fully functioning. I was
Yeah.
like, oh fuck! I thought it's on automatic. Right now, it's just
Yeah.
toys.
Is
a
it fun?
toy.
Because I've only ever seen that in like Lamborghinis and all when
Yeah.
people do it.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Kuch kuch, but it was fully functioning, and my गाड़ी पूरा आगे पीछे होने
Yeah,
लग गया.
good.
Oh, nice. What,
क्या
how
कर
was
रहे
the
हैं?
feeling like?
No. Then I put it back on automatic. I was like, I just want
feel
automatic.
like a
dude.
racer for like a
Yeah.
minute.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
you realize you don't have
The
those
first time I
stripes.
used like a cruise control in a car,
Dude, yeah.
bro, it's
What a thing.
it's magic.
Dude, my
Yes, damn good,
i20 didn't have cruise control. Dude, I thought it did. I was once looking at
Yeah.
कि अरे इसका cruise control का मैं मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेसवे में use करूँगा ये.
My car has something called traffic tailgate feature.
Okay.
Okay, so like I can set it in. When I'm stuck in traffic, I can just put that on, and when the car ahead of me moves forward, my car will also move forward. And then
like-
when that car stops, that car will also
Wait,
stop.
you don't have to do
I don't have to do anything.
Until when? Like if the
Yeah,
car
like
keeps
what
going,
if
does
you
it
like
follow
I
it home?
have to steer it. If,
Does it
if
follow
needed.
it home? Like धीरे धीरे पीछे जा जा.
Yeah, I have to
like a
steer
magnet.
it, but I don't have to press any accelerator or anything at all. But especially if it's in a straight line, it's great. Dude, not just that. B6,
X.
XE9, whatever. B6.
V6.
Dude, that one has an
Parks
automatic
itself?
parks itself. Have you seen this? It's
I've not seen it.
crazy, dude. I test drove that. And you sit in the car, okay, and the guy is like more than happy to show you that feature because that's their fucking most awesome feature. So basically, you can like, you see the plan of the car, like the from
Like
top
a top view, yeah.
and you can move the car, like you can pinch the car and move it into the position you want it to be in,
You
like
know
on
where
a
I've
touch
seen
screen.
that? You know where I've seen that?
Where?
Tarzan the Wonder Car, dude.
Oh yeah?
Tarzan the Wonder Car in that
dude.
movie.
Of course.
Ajay
There's
Devgan parked
Alan
himself.
Bro, you know how he does it?
Huh?
He just does the
Nice.
Like-
The wheels go.
There's a car here, and he's here, and he just goes in. What?
Yeah,
What?
he's
They
the
never
wonder car.
explained how.
It's the wonder
It's
car.
the wonder car. Bro, you know, one time, so they were doing a tour, like a press release tour, right, of the movie before it released.
Tarzan the Wonder Car.
Tarzan the Wonder Car. So
Yeah.
they were taking these cars from city to city, like
Yeah.
the actual Tarzan the Wonder Car, the DC car.
Yeah, DC.
Yeah, and
Zero choice.
I was in Jaipur, and it was going to the place where they were gonna put it, but I was in my car, and it was just next to me, dude.
That car?
That car that I just saw Tarzan,
And
but,
then-
but it
and
wasn't
then-
on the road; it was on a truck.
And then suddenly you saw the car just come here, because that's how he parks, that's how he moves. He just moves sideways.
Ajay Devgan just came out of the car, said hi, and then threw pan at me.
And were
left.
you like, but you're the car. Why are you outside the car?
So do you know that movie flopped so hard?
Yeah.
They had planned to launch that car and that design.
I know.
But because the movie flopped so
was a-
hard, they've got rid of that car
But it has a
concept
cult
entirely.
following now, man.
The
But
movie has a cult following. I
it's
remember.
following, like exactly. It's
But
nobody's-
no, but it's dude. What other movies? So, there are such less movies that people remember from
Yeah,
that time.
That's
bro,
true.
I-
That's true.
Wonder
No,
Car,
they
everyone knows.
remember
I
it because
love
it's
that
so
movie.
bad, it's good, kind of.
Bro, I
Yeah.
remember when as a
Johnny
child,
Mnemonic.
I was a fan of the
Yeah.
movie, and I remember begging my dad to buy that car because I heard they're gonna release that car. It was gonna
That
be out for 2
always
crores
looked
and
tacky.
all.
You like that looks of that car?
Bro, I was a child.
Yeah,
dude.
he's always been
Bro,
a
it
bit
was a
tacky.
cool fucking car, dude. Like it could run on the fucking water in fire, like all.
Does it have
three-
Bluetooth?
It had Ajay Devgan.
Sorry,
I was
Ajay Devgan sings the songs
Yeah,
for
I
you.
would make
dude.
him sing this.
dude.
Have you been spending?
Dude, my father passed away. So I've been like spending stuff on that shit.
Rest in peace, uncle.
Yes,
That's what it is.
yes, rest.
R.I.P.
Yeah.
R.I.p.
Yeah.
Shout out.
My family
I
went through a
tried
very
to.
tough
Sorry,
time
I
recently.
tried to
Yeah. Fair enough.
have a better segue.
Yeah, so
to
what have you
that.
been spending on funeral?
Yeah, dude. Oh,
Bro.
it is what it is.
But I have also had my
You've
share,
had
fair
this,
share
yeah,
of
correct.
experience in
Yeah.
spending on
Yeah.
fucking dude. It's expensive.
It's expensive.
Very. It's like again like things add up.
Yeah,
Some things are expensive.
Yeah.
Like there are pundits, multiple pundits for multiple ceremonies required. Then pundits have their demands that you have to meet. Like my pundit said, the Nasik pundit that we went to for Asthi Visarjan, he was like, I want Davidoff coffee. I was like, you want coffee, right? I can just get you coffee. Like, no. Davidoff coffee and Red Label tea. I'm like, sir, Red Label tea is fair enough.
Yeah, that's
you
right.
want
Davidoff
coffee
coffee
and
in
tea?
particular. He's like, see, the thing is, when he went there, he was like, "Aap log soch rahe hoge," in like his big, speech that he was giving it to us.
Yeah.
He was like saying all these things, whatever, like explaining why you come to Nasik, whatever, all these things they do. And he was explaining कि आप सोच रहे हो कि आपने ये Davidoff क्यों मंगवाया मेरे लिए मैंने. The thing is कि हमारे यहाँ पे परंपरा है कि अगर कुछ मांगो तो उसका इस्तेमाल भी होना चाहिए. आप कोई भी कॉफी दे देते वो पड़ी रहती मैं यूज नहीं करता. I'm like, who is this fancy pandit dude? He's like,
That's a justification
Davidoff
he
in
just came
particular.
up with.
Yeah,
Like,
dude.
See,
Yeah, dude.
मुझे लगता है मैंने आपसे क्यों मंगवाया.
Yeah.
मुझे पसंद है Davidoff coffee. That's what this meant.
Dude, that's good that he only asked for coffee. What, he asked for a coffee machine? What, it
true.
was just like me,
That's
like,
true.
hey, get me a coffee machine.
That's true, man.
Dude, I remember.
I'm like, I'm also there. Like before me, there were like two other families
Yeah,
before us.
yeah.
I'm like, सब Davidoff को इसका पूरा
Oh my God.
counter होगा.
No,
इसके
he
बाद.
asked for different flavors every
No,
time. Like,
he
intense
wanted
creme leke aana.
Like a coffee?
A jar.
A
No,
jar.
jar
bro.
of Davidoff
not
powder.
made coffee.
Or whatever, granules. Yeah.
I remember during my time, I think तेरे time पे भी तुम लोगों ने भी किया था ना, where you call a bunch of pandits home,
हमने
like where you have to feed them.
जब मेरी तो हमने ये इस बार नासिक में कर
नासिक में किया था.
जब मेरी दादी
Yeah.
की डेथ हुई थी
हाँ.
तब हमने कर गया था.
So during my
They don't do
time,
this in our culture, dude, at all.
yeah, that's the thing.
bro, this
dude.
pandit
But-
thing is very weird.
Yeah, dude, it's,
Bro, this guy came and he brought like 8 more pandits, 8, 9
Yeah.
more pandits with him. Okay, and we
Yeah.
have to feed all of them, which is fine. You feed them, that's okay. But they had feedback on the food we are giving them.
The hell, dude.
You're like, do you know why you're here? Do you understand? This is not
Yeah,
a
dude.
a la carte buffet.
Yeah, dude.
What I'm trying to say is,
Fair.
why do they have preference in what they're gonna
Correct.
eat?
No,
Yeah.
that's fair. That's fair.
Yeah.
There's
I,
no.
I don't understand. Also, the amount
I think for
of
them,
ghee.
for them, I don't think I don't think there is no emotional. This is not an emotional thing. They do this
It's like a
multiple
job,
times.
like a-
yeah,
I
it's
I know,
like
but
a
you're
job.
still human.
No, I think they've gone cold now because they've done it so many times. There's no like
Yeah.
emotional thing. They just
Sure.
They're
like
like पिछले हफ्ते उन्होंने तो इतना
yeah,
खाना
exactly.
खिलाया,
It's
आप
just
लोग
a
इतना
regular thing
At
for
the
I don't know.
crematorium.
We feed cows. That's
Yeah,
what.
yeah.
I mean, I had to feed
Those
a
cows
cow.
can't complain about the food.
So during my time, the rule was that every day for the first 13 days, I have to I have to be the first person to eat in the house, okay,
Yeah.
before anybody else can eat. So like massive power I had over everybody. So I would not wake up till like 12:30, and my mom would just come and just put like one dana in my mouth, like "Kya be?"
Ah, sale.
so they can eat. But on some days,
Oh, thank God.
but on some days I was told that I have to go feed a cow, ants,
Then, oh, okay.
and a dog. So dog we had covered because we had a dog at home, like isko khana khila denge. And I had to find a cow, but I also, so if it was just me going, I would just come back home and like yahan khila diya, right? But my uncle would go with me,
Oh,
and he's super religious. So we would go and we would stand next to a cow. I would give it food, and sometimes the cow is not hungry.
Yeah.
So she, whoever, like cow is just not eating.
So you pick it up and give it to someone else?
So we just wait there. It was just a very full cow, I think. I think she was well fed. He was just not eating, dude.
But the same, like with when my nanny passed away, I
Yeah.
couldn't go back on the 13th day. So I was feeding a cow here in Bombay only. So then I went with the Pandit to Borivali ke paas. We were just going around in a rickshaw trying to find a cow.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then we couldn't find a cow.
The days when you need a cow.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
I was like, where are the cows?
Cows?
And eventually we found one cow. Again, that cow wasn't eating, and I was like, brother, please.
That after a
Please.
couple of tries, he found one cow who was always hungry. So like every day I started going to that cow. But feeding a cow is still fine. How do I make sure that ants have
Sugar.
eaten?
Yeah.
Smart.
It's not smart. It's just
It's quite regular, man.
how-
Yeah,
No one
It's
thought of
just-
that, dude. I would just put like some roti and just like wait, maybe they're
you
eating.
serious?
So
Just
like if they
sugar?
start going on top of it, like they must have eaten.
Yeah. Correct. वही flower लेके जा रहे हैं वापस से flower.
I think they ate. I think they ate.
Yeah.
So that was so weird.
But with ants, you can just be
I
like,
did
the
not
ant
think
ate.
of sugar at
that's what
all,
the
dude. You're so
What do you
right.
say?
It didn't come to me. It didn't come to my uncle. It didn't
Arre?
come to my mother. I think we all had like different issues we were
Actually, yeah.
at that time.
At that
But
time, yeah.
We just didn't think of sugar. But this ghee situation, dude.
A lot,
Bro.
dude. I think the single biggest expense is just the amount of cartons of ghee
fucking
you end up buying,
ghee.
dude. For everything. Every fire that has to be lit.
Oh, yeah, yeah. There's a lot of
everything
ghee
is a
involved.
lot of ghee.
Bro,
involved.
I remember at the crematorium when we were like burning this thing, they give you a box of ghee, okay?
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
just started living alone a year before that, so I had just realized how expensive ghee is. So when they gave me the box, I like okay, so I took a spoon and I took out the ghee and like I'm putting it on top. And I'm like, नहीं पूरा डब्बा डालो ना, पूरा डब्बा.
Who's पता कितने
Huh,
खाता
who's
है?
paying for this, dude? Did you go to Haridwar?
No, we went to Nashik.
We went to
For
Nashik.
the Asti Visarjan.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
went to
Asti
Nashik, yeah.
Visarjan. We were going to Haridwar, okay, and I think flight, हम लोग flight पता नहीं क्यों नहीं लिया था, but we were taking a bus to Haridwar, and in my religion you have to consider the asthia as a separate person. So throughout the journey till you like do the asthia
Oh, give it like a
Visarjan
separate
process,
seat.
you have to consider it as a human. So you buy an extra seat, you buy extra food, you buy whatever you buy one thing extra. Okay. So my sister was booking tickets for Haridwar. Me, my uncle, and Papa.
The Asti, yeah.
The asthia.
Yeah.
So my sister was like, इसकी पापा की मैं स्लीपिंग वाली टिकट लूं या फिर नॉर्मल वाली like वो सोई तो रहे और कितना like it's expensive, the sleeper ticket is expensive. Can we
Well, we
get
have to take a flight with all of you are business class. Dad's in premium economy back there.
Dude, we are at one of the, I think Haldiram's on the way, some midway, and I'm getting a thali, so I have to buy another thali.
You have to buy the same
I have to
thing
buy the
only.
same thing. So I'm like, then I'm like, where does it end? Like, what if I'm buying a cigarette on the way? Do I smoke another cigarette?
Dad, you must want a break.
What seat did you buy then?
I think we bought 2 sleeper and 1 like normal. Like, yeah, dude, of course normal.
Oh,
Man, what a
It
thing.
was very fun.
Oh, well.
But
Yeah,
yeah, dude.
you're
But
you
sorry,
have
man. Sorry.
But no, but yeah,
It
it was
happened.
yeah, a
man.
tough time for sure. But this is also needed, man. You need to be able to look at the good times, but then laugh about some of the stuff.
Oh,
also.
acha, yeah. That this was needed. Yeah,
Yeah,
like, where are you going with this?
No, no, I don't need my dad to not be around, dude. That's not what I need, dude.
Honestly, it was very much needed.
It was about time, actually, dude.
Oh, man.
The other day I saw some reel, like it was a dead dad joke. I think Antariksh is cool enough now. So I said
Said it too, yeah.
I was waiting for him to like it. I don't know how cool it is right now.
I give you angry emoji back. What the fuck, dude? How dare
It
you?
was very funny. It was ki, oh, people say you look like your dad, but I'm not dead.
Wow, dude.
Oh, but yeah, what else, dude?
Now,
Oh,
now-
dude. We have something that we've been meaning to talk about for about
Yeah.
6 months.
I
now.
am so
I like
sorry.
the acting by both of you, but yeah.
No.
I don't know why. Hoshang,
We
you
had
go
been-
crazy with the acting.
No,
every
no,
time.
this I had been
Okay.
meaning to do for a while,
Yes,
though,
yeah.
dude.
No,
we
all
keep
of us.
forgetting.
It's all of it's on
I'm
all of
so
us.
sorry.
We're sorry because someone had sent us some stuff.
Yes.
But
okay?
I
And
wasn't even told we got this.
we
thing.
were
No,
told
no, no.
once or
I
twice.
told you all, dude. I
We
told you
were
all.
told.
told. Don't try to get
I
away.
completely
Yeah, no,
forgot,
fuck
dude.
off, bro.
Yeah.
I only remembered from Dimfo yesterday when he told us again.
No, but the onus lies on Hoshang mostly. But we also take some
Yeah,
of the blame.
sure,
a little
maybe.
bit, yes.
Yeah, but
Pranita, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot.
And thank you so much.
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you.
much. This very sweet person
Yeah.
sent us a box full of scented candles.
Wow, for
They're
on your
very
new
cool.
house, man. How amazing.
I don't know if you all can see it,
Dude,
but
I think-
there's one there.
no, I think this was sent when he moved to the old house
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
first
yeah,
time.
What?
yeah, yeah.
And you never opened
They
them?
came. So I put it in a cupboard and then I just completely
show
forgot about
that
it.
other candle.
हाँ, so
So-
I don't know if you all can see it,
But
but
get it,
अरे, पूरा
because
अलग
these
तो
are new boxes.
एक खोल ले ना.
ठीक है.
एक खोल ले. They're very cool because they're like cups. So once the candle runs out, you can just use it as a fucking cup, bro.
The company is called Mao.
Ooh.
MAO. MAO.
Join the revolution against adulting.
Yeah. Mao is built on the philosophy. I'm sorry, this is too long. But it's called Mao.
It's called
MAO.
Mao. Her name is Pranita Bajoria. So you can look up her. We'll put her Instagram in description and everything. And she has a lot of cool scented candles, which are also cups. So once they run out of candles, they become cups.
Hey,
They
wow,
do?
that's damn cool.
See, that's a cup, dude. Once you run out of
Like-
wax and all, you wash it, you clean it. And then they are just regular cups,
Oh,
bro.
really?
Bro, adulting. She is...
This is actually, I'm not acting. I really didn't know.
yeah, no,
that
actually,
they
that's
could
true.
be-
That's true.
I didn't know they could be cups.
Yeah, they are cups.
We'll keep that in. Dude.
Yeah, she can calm down a little. You can calm down a little with the packaging. We have to cut so much of this.
Wow! Oh wow! There's still more packaging.
Look how cute. Yeah, this is no packaging, but look how cute this is.
This
even
is
with a
very
little bit of
cute.
packaging.
It's actually very cute.
Okay, turns out this is also packaging.
Oh, yeah, this is the
we have to-
packaging for the candle.
Nice, dude.
Okay, here. I don't know if you can see this, but here is a candle. Oh man,
Yeah.
this is actually damn
Yeah,
nice.
it's very cute.
Does it smell nice?
Oh, this smells very good.
Oh
what
wow!
what
dude.
flavor is this?
I'll have to check, but she mentioned. I mean, so basically, we told her what flavors to send. It's just been so long that we forgot.
I'm sorry. What's it?
Yeah.
Pranita.
Pranita, I'm
We're
sorry,
so
Pranita.
sorry. But this is very cute. Thank you so much for sending it to me.
Yeah, so
And guys,
lovely.
if you have.
Mao. MAO. Candles.
Yeah, if you're looking for a new candle, if you're in game for the new candle, please look her up. Order some stuff.
Oh, this is lovely, dude.
Right?
Yeah, this
Actually
is very
nice.
nice.
Smell it?
And actually very cute, like couples.
Yeah,
also.
so we got like 6
Very, very
different
nice.
kinds.
Very
we can
mild
put
and
some
nice.
photos here of. I'll send pictures.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
very cool.
Yeah. But so thank you, Pranita.
Thank you.
Shout out.
Pranita. So sweet.
Shout out, Pranita.
That's crazy that we plugged her business right after talking about dead fathers.
Hey, we need candles at the ceremonies. You know, it's why not these?
Dude, if
Why
you
not
take
Mao?
these candles
Yeah.
to just cute cups,
Cute cups.
cute
Yeah, man.
little
Just trying to,
cups.
trying to make the ceremony a little more wholesome.
Yeah. Use a cute cup to
Oh.
light up.
We remember you, and then it's just a puppy cup. like, okay.
Pandit ji is like, diya jalao. Yes, Pandit ji.
No, पंडित जी भी ले उसके अंदर David of Coffee डाल दो.
David of Coffee.
वो cup है क्या?
Cup खत्म हो गया. Okay,
We're
candle
not
खत्म हो
even
गया.
using Biz Dad cups. We are using a puppy cup.
Dude, once my brother had come down from the US. तभी he gave my mom a cup that said, "You're the best mom because you raised the best son." Okay, and then my mom said, "Oh, nice, nice."
She didn't take it back to Kerala. My brother kept it there.
So now
I
it's
just
you.
have that
Yeah.
mug. It makes no sense. You're the best mom because you raised the best son, and I'm drinking it like, yeah, that's me. I never said.
My friends gifted me a cup with like this was again when I was in school. So you know at the time when people would post like put their pictures.
Oh,
on the
group
cup.
photos.
Not even group photos. So like two of my friends put their selfies and my selfie.
Oh, yeah,
on
I
a
get
cup,
it,
Okay. And my mom still has it. Every
Nice.
time I go to
That's-
Pune, I see
very sweet,
my
dude.
friend Ashna and Deva, but when they were 13, 14 on a cup.
That's cute.
That's very cute, man.
That's
Nice.
cute.
I have a cup that was given to me from my school friend on the last day of school with my name on it. So
Yeah.
it says Antariksh. And everyone from our group, she gifted someone with a cup with their name on it.
But so it's
and it's such good quality. It has lasted me 15 years.
But
and I
like
said,
it just says Antariksh.
just Antariksh and like very nice design. and
Oh,
all,
okay,
yellow.
there's the design.
Yeah,
I just thought
yeah.
it's like a blank cup.
Oh,
with
no, no, no.
Antariksh.
That'd be good. Yeah, that'd be
That's
good.
it.
That'd be
It's a
good.
name tag. You have to walk around with the cup.
Cups are good gifts, man. Like
Cups
easy,
are nice.
easy gifts. You
Yeah.
don't have like if it's like a casual gift, like housewarming and all.
Yeah,
cups
true,
are good
true,
gifts.
true. I bought Nivedita a very nice cup
Yeah.
on her housewarming.
What
you
did
know?
you give?
I want. I've been wanting to talk about it, forgot. But
Oh,
during-
that place.
Yeah, during, so Nivedita did a housewarming. Oh, hi Myra. Nivedita did a housewarming, and I was walking to her house, and I wanted to get her something. So I saw this vendor stall situation of a lot of ceramics, right?
Like
Mini Punjab
the
ke baaju mein.
cart. The
Yeah,
cart
it's a
guy.
cart,
Okay,
like a
okay.
street cart
Okay.
with a lot of ceramic stuff. Okay, like mugs, plates, and all of this.
Yeah.
And it was a middle-aged man.
Like
on
that
the
cart was the most Bandra cart ever.
yeah. Like
this
it's a
doesn't
pretty
happen in
known thing.
Kandivali.
Okay, fair.
It's a pretty known thing. Like next to Mini Punjab, you'll see these carts of ceramic stuff.
Yeah.
And there was a middle-aged man on it. So I picked out what I wanted. And then now it's time to negotiate, right? Because it's a street cart. And I gave it to him. I like, "Ye kitne ka hai?" And then he whistles and he calls it Chotu. And then literally a fucking 12-year-old kid comes, dude. And then he starts talking to me. We're like, how do I negotiate with this 12-year-old
12-year-old kid.
kid?
Yeah,
Like, what, if he says 400, I can't be like 918. So like, you're a
Hey,
kid.
Maybe he doesn't understand money. Yeah.
Whatever, but that's
Like-
their trick, dude. They just bring out a
Yeah.
kid and then
And
you have to.
if you negotiate with that kid, they whistle again, and now it's a 6-year-old.
Yeah, 6-year-old.
Just
He's
keep
going
going.
down.
yeah.
It's a pregnant lady. How do you negotiate with a pregnant lady? And it's Bandra, and there are a lot of like hot people around, so I can't be seeing negotiating with a
The
kid
kid.
over like 50 rupees.
Yeah, right.
So like, fine, I'll pay full price for this. But,
400?
Huh?
400.
It was, I think, 600 something. It was like a very big cup. Like it was like a joke gift. Like it's a very big, this thick coffee mug which has a cover and coaster this size. And I
Oh,
told
wow.
Nivedita to drink chai in this.
Nice. It'll last you till tomorrow. Yeah.
But yeah, dude, it's just been an expensive month.
Then lastly,
Yes.
we have to talk about our somewhat active subreddit.
No, so it's not somewhat active. I'll tell you what has been active. Me checking how the number of people on
Dude,
that
we-
sub has been going down.
Last post was 17 hours ago.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, not
How
bad. No,
many-
so the
Someone
weekly
posted a
visitors,
GoFundMe for a dog.
Can we see?
So the weekly visitors jo rehte hain,
Yeah.
that went down from 80 something to 25 or
Yeah, yeah,
something.
that's
So
true.
But can we see how many people are like joined?
I don't know,
To
100
that-
and something.
Whoa!
I think. Check.
How many people have joined? We have 24 active visitors per week.
Yeah, it reduced one
But
more.
how-
It was 25 when I checked.
Where does it say? The number
When you
of
enter the page, when you enter the sub.
But that's okay. Like, what are people saying though? Like, I haven't checked the subreddit till before we started recording this.
You've never checked?
I mean, I'm subscribed to it, so when I'm browsing Reddit, if it comes on, I'll
You've
see
never
it.
gone and checked?
But
Who
I've
the
never
fuck
gone
do
and
you
checked.
think
And I
you
keep
are?
forgetting, yeah. I
the
keep forgetting
fuck-
that we have I get excited every time it comes out of nowhere. Like, oh,
Who the
that's a nice
fuck do you
surprise.
think? You don't check?
It's a nice surprise when it comes like
Who the
automatically.
fuck do you think you are?
I
We're
think
trying to
I'm-
make
I-
that
I
sub
think I'm- I
active.
think I'm
You're forgetting about that sub.
Dude.
Then how the fuck do we make it active if the person with the podcast doesn't check the
Bro,
podcast?
Reddit is toxic, dude.
I just go
No.
check this. I don't.
Yeah.
Reddit is horrible.
I mean, yeah, it can be, but it
No,
depends
Reddit
on,
is.
No, I think I have to
fucking
reset
horrible.
my Reddit
Subreddit
front
you're on.
page.
People,
yeah.
people are
People are-
just.
yeah,
it's
they're
worse
brutal.
than Twitter, honestly.
By the
but
way-
it's also funnier and more fun.
Sure,
than-
but way
than
more
Twitter.
toxic.
Ever since I've unsubscribed to Insta celeb gossip and Bollywood celeb gossip, dude, I feel better. I'm not kidding. Like, it's
Yeah,
much.
That's the pointless.
Bro, fuck.
I follow
They're
Insta
it.
the
celeb.
worst people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry if any of you are on Insta.
Oh, all
celeb
these
gossip.
PR people and all, whoever watches our show, if they are PR people, they're
Yeah.
definitely on that.
But
Hey,
oh, that's a very
Uh,
toxic sub. Yeah.
Okay, so
what have people? So people have been posting on the
Yeah.
subreddit. They've
Yeah.
been posting whatever they have been buying. So
and very often they'll post something and they'll be like, oh, Hoshang or Govind will like this or
Yeah.
relate to this.
Yeah, I remember
Very
and
often.
and let
Yeah.
me tell you, I've liked none of those. I'm kidding. Some of them are nice. Some of them are nice.
Bro, the number one thing that stood out was someone posting this. We'll put it somewhere here.
Sure.
Basically, it's a video of a dude doing paragliding. But it's not just regular paragliding. It's
course.
very Govind style of paragliding because this guy's making coffee and grinding coffee.
You guys can hate on
and
me
French
for
pressing coffee.
You
up
guys
high.
can no, that's a mocha pot.
Mocha
You
pot.
guys can
Mocha potting, yeah.
That's a mocha pod, yeah.
You guys can hate on me for talking about coffee this much, but
Yeah.
look what my peers are doing. Look what my fellow coffee lovers are doing. They're taking it one notch higher.
Someone says Govind would want to try this.
I would genuinely want to try this. But the thing is, when I make coffee at home in the morning, I am very clumsy with it, dude.
Yeah.
Today,
Yeah, dude,
today,
you dropped it.
today, I was like powder. Grinder से मैंने पूरा वो grind किया beans, and then you put it in the porta filter ना. I put it आधा बाहर गिर गया. Then I had to grind more because मैंने आधा बाहर गिरा दिया. तो हवे में I don't know what I'll do.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How is the powder not flying everywhere?
No, it doesn't fly everywhere. I just went a little too
aggressive,
like aggressive on the porta filter.
You should
थोड़ा
do
आराम
the
से करना
opposite now. You're going. What is it? Underwater thing.
I'm not yet, but
Diving,
yeah. Oh yeah,
diving.
I should do it
Deep sea
underwater.
diving.
Yeah, you should
Scuba
do it
diving.
Scuba
underwater.
diving,
Yeah,
yeah.
you go to scuba diving.
I
you
should
make
do this
coffee
while scuba diving.
Wow.
Yeah,
and
give it
drink
to
it
some
also
fishes
underwater.
also.
I should
Drink it
make
also
coffee
underwater.
while scuba. I've done paragliding though.
You done paragliding when?
Years back. Way
Where?
back. Switzerland.
Oh.
It was damn nice.
Okay,
In Switzerland
imagine,
is damn
of course,
fun.
of course.
In Switzerland is damn fun because Switzerland is fucking beautiful, dude. So
So the next person has shared a photo of a chicken McGrill from McDonald's in Delhi, saying eating McGrill in Delhi. If you know, you know.
I know,
It's
dude.
targeted at a certain someone here who keeps talking
Dude,
about
It
my
is
love for
the
I
best
agree.
burger.
It is like I still like the I forgot.
Mexican.
No, American something
No,
they have.
dude.
Grilled chicken and
Like, that's the one you like?
grilled chicken. It's the
American cheese grilled
it's
chicken.
the least nasty burger in McDonald's. That's why I like it.
Yeah,
Every
sure.
other burger
I'd say
is
the McSpicy
nasty.
chicken is the least
It's
nasty.
no
What?
McSpicy is
You know,
disgusting.
I like the unhealthiest one possible.
Maharaja
the
Mac.
fillet of fish.
Why is it unhealthy?
Dude, because they don't, apparently, firstly, I've checked multiple subreddits and I remember like a few years back,
That's
there were
my
like,
favorite burger after McGrill.
Filet of fish is my
Yeah.
favorite. Dude, there was a subreddit and I remember this, okay, where it was, hey, employees of famous fast food chains, tell us what we should never order from your
Wherever,
the chain
yeah.
you work at. So he's like, I work at McDonald's, never get the filet of fish. Someone's like, why? He's like, dude, it's never stored properly. It's always like pre-frozen, so always the most number of preservatives and all. It's
But
always
is
the
it an
unhealthiest.
Indian fast food Reddit or this is
Brother,
यार
it's
अगर
McDonald's.
अमेरिका में
They-
बुरा है तो इंडिया में अच्छा तो नहीं होने वाला है
हाँ, तुझे
कंपैरिजन
लगता है इंडिया वाला better
क्या
है
बात कर रहा है
US?
What is this? What are you worried about?
And also, it's McDonald's. It's standardized across all.
Yeah, if it's bad one
franchises,
place,
so
it's bad
yeah.
everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
But no,
If they have a process, they're gonna replicate
but
it
why,
everywhere.
why is every other burger better than that? Like they're storing the other stuff better than fish.
Dude, I don't know. See, the thing is, right?
You know, by the way, you're not supposed to wash your raw chicken whenever you're making it.
Why?
What?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
it's a whole thing on the internet. I got into a fight with Ranjit Bhaiya.
But why?
So whenever you get raw chicken, like especially like packaged or frozen raw chicken. So
What,
when
from,
you
from
How do you
anywhere,
thaw
like
it?
anywhere
delicious,
from anywhere, huh?
You don't put it underwater and like.
No,
just
so
try
if
to
when
thaw
you
it?
do it, because water sprinkles around it, and chicken contains some kind of a virus. I'm forgetting the name of it, but that gets spread around the
Corona.
kitchen. Could be corona, who knows? But that gets spread around the
Hanta.
kitchen. So the only way to cook, like clean your chicken, is to cook it properly.
I won't trust. Yeah, it feels
There
weird
are
to
there
not
are there are
watch
proper
it.
scientific.
But how do you, like, if there's like, you have to like get rid of some of the dirt on top of the
Yeah,
that's how
that's
this
you
thing-
you pat dry it,
Are you
dry
sure of
pat it.
this?
huh?
Are you
Dude,
sure of
okay.
this?
No, there's
Okay.
the doctors are saying it. I'm not saying it. Like
Okay,
there are
I'm
people
gonna
who have
look
done
into this.
I
research.
also will.
Like
Yeah.
even if you
trust it.
watch, I watch a lot of because now I'm an air fryer guy, right? Like so
Sure.
I've been making a lot of marinated
Yeah,
chicken.
sure.
I follow this one guy, and every time he's making chicken, like unwashed chicken. I'm like, why is he saying unwashed chicken? So I like Googled, and then I went started reading up, and like, oh shit, a lot of doctors. And now I'm getting reels also, which says like doctors from like food industry are like, hey yo, do not wash your chicken because
They
it
say
spreads a
yo?
lot. yeah.
Yo, so
See, doctors doing it, they want maybe
Dr.
doctors.
Dre was telling me.
Dr. Dre was like, yo, don't wash your chicken,
Yo, stop
buy
washing your
beats.
chicken, dude.
Buy beats, buy Dre.
What if doctors are saying it so that you fall sick and then who will have to visit? A doctor.
But why would I visit that doctor? How is he benefiting?
I don't know. Doctors in general, they've all come to a consensus in general. You know,
just doing
it's
it
like
for all
एक
the
doctor का भला होता है तो सारे doctor का भला होता है.
That
Like one of
doctor
those.
is like, hey, if you fall sick, come to America. That's what I am.
No, it's apparently pretty dangerous.
Difficult thing to believe.
Yeah, I don't know.
have-
It feels like unnatural because we've not done
I
that.
think the problem is because India is so dirty in general, we don't believe our chicken.
Oh,
like
I
that.
think it's
No,
one of
I
those.
think our immune systems are better
But
than
the
white
ones you
people's.
get from Zorbian or like Licious and Meatigo and all, those you can just put
See,
directly.
Okay, has an Indian chef said this?
Yeah,
Right?
not Indian chef, Indian doctors.
Indian doctors have?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
believe
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Because if it's a white person saying
Not a
it,
white
na,
person, not a white person.
people, I do not believe.
No, not a
because,
white guy.
Like,
Yeah.
you know.
White people also say it, like it's
I
a
won't
known
believe.
scientific study.
Like, sure, doctors, yes, but I'm saying chefs, I won't believe. Because
no,
even,
doctors. These are food doctors.
Anything, like, they just can't, like, they live in some weird bubble, dude, all these white Europeans and Americans, where, like, everything's a threat. If it's slightly inconvenient, it's
That's
a
true.
threat.
Yeah.
Like, even when I was going to Thailand, that Koh Tao wala island,
Yeah,
I researched and everywhere white people are like, it's the most dangerous island. It's the most. It is. People
so
have
chill.
died. People
Yeah.
have died. And I was like, where the fuck am I going?
This is
to?
the island or something.
Yeah,
right?
it's called Island.
Yeah, yeah.
Turtle Island and Island. Island. And I was like, what the fuck is this? Murder Island, Death Island, something
Yeah,
is
yeah,
called.
yeah.
Not Murder Island. But then I saw someone's comment on Reddit only. I saw someone else's comment being like, yo, these are just white people going crazy.
Yeah, they're too scared.
Of course, there is some crime here, but
everywhere.
that's like
Everywhere.
any
Any
place.
place.
Yeah, that's true.
And these white people don't know how to. They have no survival skills.
Yeah.
Like there are some things you subconsciously know you shouldn't do when you're in a new place. You're a little
But
on
is
the edge.
European white people?
Both European, American,
yeah.
all of
No,
them.
because
dude.
America में तो crime बहुत है भाई, so they should be used to
अबे
it.
सब एक ही जैसे. Actually, I think Europeans
Yeah,
are living in some
Europeans are
fairyland
weird
only,
probably.
dude. So no, so it's all there. So I don't believe it because these fuckers just
No,
keep
these
saying ये
are-
मत करो, वो मत करो. Indians have way better
Yeah.
immune system.
I
sure
also
it's
think.
also-
हम रास्ते का खाते गटर के बाहर
Well, yeah,
वाला.
I'm sure our immunity system is better. It's just like if you're consuming a lot of chicken, then I think you're
No,
shitting.
but also I think there's a certain level of like laziness that the internet loves promoting. Okay, like in the sense, like for years we've all been peeling our fucking potatoes. They're like, oh no, potato skin is totally fine. So
Oh,
now,
are they saying
yeah,
that?
When
people
did they say
peel
it?
their cucumbers. They're like, no, cucumber skin is perfectly fine.
What?
You don't know this?
No.
No,
I
cucumber
think-
to हाँ.
Did
Yeah.
someone call you and tell you this? Because I've
no,
not
but
seen this
dude,
online.
I've seen recipes of unpeeled
really?
potatoes. This thing because the skin like crisps up if you fry it or whatever,
Sure.
and so it tastes fucking amazing.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that is
Yeah,
fine.
it does.
Oh.
But I think like if you
Wait, you're frying cucumbers?
not no like potatoes.
Potatoes. Okay.
If you ever do,
Yeah.
if you make anything out of potatoes and you want like pan fried or whatever, the skin will crisp up very nicely and like.
Oh, I didn't think of that. I always peel my potatoes.
Yeah, of course. You peel.
But then that's what like, I think like that's why because like there is one step of the process is like
No,
done
but
away
this
with.
is
So people love that.
about viruses. Like chicken contains virus.
But that's why we were peeling our potatoes and cucumbers. No, to begin with, like because the
No,
impurities
that
are in the
was
skin.
dirt. That was because of dirt.
But we are cleaning chicken to get the
Rid of the
impurities,
dirt.
But it contains virus bites of which it gets spread around.
Okay,
So
tell us which virus. Otherwise,
Well, I'll tell you the virus
Tell me.
right now.
Chickenovirus.
chickenovirus.
Chickenovirus. Hey,
Mech
chicken.
virus. Mech virus.
Yeah.
I remember somebody put a post which said, "Oh, Hoshang will jizz on this," which is like, how do you
Jizz
know?
on what?
I think it was a bunch of handheld games, which I would. I mean, I would probably jizz on those.
You're
but
not handled anymore.
Not
Oh, I'm so sorry. There's one we should talk about before I get to that one.
What is this?
There's one. This guy says probably my most. What the fuck did I just spend my money on purchase of the year? And it's a T-shirt of
Is it
Ananya
Ananya
Pandey. It's an
Pandey?
Ananya Pandey T-shirt.
Ananya Desi girl.
Yeah, Ananya girl. And it says that the description, the caption under that is bought this as a gag gift for a friend who loves Ananya Pandey, but now I'm wondering if it was worth spending 2K for this T-shirt.
2K? Okay,
2K.
2K.
It's too much.
2K is too much.
Interesting. I don't know.
No, I don't. No. 2K is too much. 2K is
2K?
like
No,
I
for a
won't
gift.
spend. I won't spend that much for a band. I like a band T-shirt.
You wouldn't?
No, not 2K.
Really?
Yeah, no. I mean,
I
maybe.
think I would.
Maybe.
I think I probably would.
Maybe
because
I
know when Gorillas come, they will put up a merch store because they have a merch.
Ah,
So I'll probably buy
No,
that.
If Ananya Pandey was selling me that T-shirt, I would buy it. I
But
guess.
if you're really into Ananya Pandey, like you really love Ananya
That
Pandey,
sounds more creepy than being
I was
really
just gonna
into
get to that. I was
gorillas.
gonna get to that.
Yeah.
It just feels a little creepy unless they're like two girls. So like, okay, then you could do whatever. But like, I can't walk around wearing that.
It has to
You
be
can.
has to be bought
Why
for a
can't
friend.
you?
Can I wear walk around wearing it? It just feels a little weird.
I mean, you'll be wearing it as a joke, obviously.
Yeah.
So
Bro,
it's fine.
how am I gonna tell everyone who's looking at me, hey, I'm wearing this ironically?
I mean, what is this? You have to please everyone else. Be your
You live
man,
for
man.
yourself or others.
Be
Yeah.
your man,
but
dude.
this just feels-
Hoshang, let's talk about it.
talk about
What
what I
are your
live for,
problems?
dude. Let's talk
Dude,
about what
losing
my,
your
let's
father
talk
had
about my
a lot of
insecurities,
problems
dude.
in your life.
Bro, too many daddy issues, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Constantly looking for a new
Uh,
dad.
Is there one last one?
One last one. This is it says the dude has said Hoshang might like this, and it is a retro gaming device.
Hey, if you look closely,
Yeah.
Hoshang has just on this.
Yeah. He says someone has replied to this saying he will fap on this,
Arey, what?
and the next person is like, what's this?
What is it?
It's a pre-jizz game, this boy.
Yeah, it's a retro
It's a
gaming
handheld game.
handheld thing.
You know that thing
It's a
where you can,
Nintendo one only.
No,
it's
no,
kind of like Nintendo,
you can do
but
a lot.
you can play like
Yeah.
999 games in one. Like you can play Contra,
Contra,
Mario, and all of those games.
Hoshang, why does everyone think you will start joking off when
Yeah,
there's
dude, why
some
is- what's with
gaming
you joking off, dude?
console?
How do they know they're like joking off this?
Yeah, man.
Who's telling them, dude?
But every time you see a PS5, you're like, I have to jerk
Why
off
am I
right
hard
now.
right now? I thought I was playing Spider-Man.
This is just, I don't know why it gets sexual the second there is a game
I
console.
think it's a vibration. It's a vibration in the controllers.
And someone has said something directed at me. Yes, he's posted his watch collection and said unhealthy spending recommendation part 2. This is the part 1 of
Show
it.
the watches.
My collection painstakingly put together over the last 4 years. I have a feeling Antriksh might enjoy this.
I like the second, the
He has
blue
a-
one.
Yeah, he has
Yeah,
a Seiko.
blue,
That
yeah.
blue one is a Tissot. Then he has another Tissot, which is a black in color one. And then he has a Brew Metric, which I love that
How
brand.
much is that for?
That's like 40 or something.
Okay,
40K.
not bad.
Whoa,
And
hey,
remember I
look
showed
at
you the
you, man.
8-bit V2.
8-bit
The 8-bit watch.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
also
yeah.
This company only, a Metric. That's also a beautiful watch.
I'm thinking of getting a new watch.
Hey.
Like just like a...
Okay.
buy cushions first, but yeah. You can get
Yeah,
to the watch
please buy
after.
Bro,
cushions
if you all
first.
have such problem with cushion, fucking you get cushions. Why? I want to keep these
This
cushions.
guy just fucking makes us
Oh,
buy
no.
it. If
Oh, no.
we just,
I don't have a
Your
problem
mom
with these
say-
cushions.
Ask your mom to buy.
What,
if
I
you-
have? Like, if you have a problem, buy
It's
them.
your cushion.
We can
I
never
like them.
We can never comment on anything, or you'll just make us want to buy
Yeah,
it.
he'll just be
You
like,
keep asking me to buy it. I don't want to
because
buy
it's
it.
shit.
Then do change it.
I'll change it in my house.
I don't want to change
I
it.
can say something without buying
Oh,
you that
I
thing.
think your couch is shit.
Sure.
Buy it.
Yeah, I'll buy my couch. I won't ask you to buy, no?
That's a good point.
But also, he's
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
see, done. I
But
beat him. Yeah, okay. Anyway,
But I'm not buying it still.
disgusting couch. No, sorry,
That's about it.
cushion. No, that
the
watch.
Yeah.
This fucker, okay, Antriksh.
Yeah. Oh, dude, this is awesome.
Yeah, so there was this, Delhi watch company, you know?
Yeah,
So
it's
they have a
called-
recent watch that has gone very viral.
I fucking
and
love
full,
those.
full hype.
We'll
It's a
put
very
the-
unique. Yeah, it's a very
we'll
unique
the-
design. It's called the DWC Terra, Delhi Watch
Yeah.
Company Terra.
Oof,
Beautiful
it's
watch.
amazing. And
Beautiful.
Antriksh called me one day and he was like, yo. I think he told you also.
Yeah, he
was
texted me,
like,
ki, hey,
Yeah.
this in stock.
Yeah, this
I
is
like, I
this is
can't
in
afford
stock.
it.
And I was
didn't
like,
see.
I
yeah,
bought it. I saw it on stock.
Yeah,
Immediately bought it.
Dude,
then texted
I
you
was
guys.
also like, fuck it, I'm buying it right now.
Yeah.
I went there, I saw one, the silver, whatever it was.
You got the black SS.
Yeah,
I
the
got
other one was
sunglasses
gone.
SS.
The black
Yeah.
one was left, and I looked at the black one. I was like, good enough. This is also fucking great. I'll buy it. I
Yeah.
bought it, and I was like, let's go.
Yeah.
I wonder when
Yeah,
it's coming.
yeah.
Oh fuck! I think I'm home this week. It'll come
yeah,
whenever.
great.
Oh, wait,
And
no,
then
it's
so I messaged. I checked my email. I was very excited. Okay.
Yeah.
I checked my email, and they've broken down when you will get the watch.
Depending on your
or your order number.
Yeah.
So my order number is something 7,000 something. His order number is 8,000 something. There are 30,000 watches to be sold. Okay. So Govind,
Mine comes in March.
in March of 2027. Mine comes in January, which I'm very pleased with. 2 months before Govind's watch.
Mine's coming in March, dude.
It's like more than 6 months later, dude. More than
Dude,
6
when he
months
told me, I
later.
was like, oh, let me check. And it said March. I was like, why the fuck did I buy
Buy a
something
watch?
for March, dude? I don't like this watch that much.
Yeah, that's
It's
so
a
funny.
pre-order for next year.
Next year, I'll say Happy New Year. Then I'm 3 months in. That's
that
when
just-
this watch comes.
That just goes to
Next
show
time when
how
I ask
popular
you
that watch
time,
is.
you tell me next year.
Can you give it
Next year,
till
bro.
March?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll tell
Every
you.
time somebody asks you about time, you note it down, and then when you get the watch, start telling.
Dude,
What the bro?
March
It's gonna be
really
worth it.
pissed
gonna
me
be
off.
worth it, man.
Next year,
Yeah, yeah.
bro.
But
It's a timepiece.
Such
It's not
a
a watch.
nice watch, dude.
Beautiful.
I think it's good because by then you'll already forget about
Yeah.
this watch.
Yeah,
By the
it'll be
time it
renewed.
comes, you'll be like,
Yeah.
Dude, what if it comes and I'm not home and they're like, hey, we missed you.
Oh shit.
Goodbye.
Oh shit.
send it to my house. I have a guard
don't
now.
know.
I have a guard. He can keep it.
I don't know when it's coming in March.
Finally show up, man. That's great.
Like I was. It makes sense to buy this as a pre-order because it's a limited edition
Yeah,
and like
yeah.
few watches.
Yeah.
But like people buying GTA 6, which is unlimited.
No, that I don't know
So
why.
I guess this.
Yeah.
will-
This
no,
we-
but this
yeah,
watch
own,
looks
yeah.
so good.
But did you guys not read it? It's a
So
pre-order.
So in the description it had said that this is the period in which you'll get your watches will be from October 2026 to March 2027.
Oh, so you
But
knew
I
it'll
thought
come in
कि
October.
मेरा तो अभी आ ही जाएगा हमने तो अभी ऑर्डर कर दिया
I
ये
looked
बाद में
at-
कर रहे
I
हैं
looked at none of it. They said, I mean, he said, आ गया, and I saw 30,000 pieces. I was like, I'm
yeah
just buying
they were
it.
and two of the colors were already sold out.
Yeah,
And you also
exactly.
checked.
So there was like
Yeah.
only black left, which is also I'm
Beautiful.
actually very happy
Beautiful,
with black.
beautiful with black, yeah.
So I was like, oh fuck, let me just buy March, dude. It
Too much.
said, wait, let
Delhi
me
Watch
see.
Company, what are you
All
doing,
the things
man?
that will happen by then,
Yeah.
dude. Like Avengers and not what's the next
GTA
one?
6 was
GTA 6 will come out.
Avengers Doomsday.
Doomsday will be out.
Yeah.
Gorillas will be here. Maybe another couple of revolutions will happen.
Yeah.
This house will go into redevelopment.
Oh, wow, yeah,
What
dude.
can happen before
Yeah,
that
nice.
watch will come, dude?
Yeah.
Time will completely change.
See, in this, the black one.
I
was
saw
like-
this, yeah.
Beautiful, dude. So good.
It
Can I
looks
be honest?
excited.
Can I be very
It's a very
honest?
unique design.
It's a unique
it's a
design, but
very
at
unique
first I
design.
thought it was a fast track watch.
I
You're
get it.
wrong.
I
Yeah.
get
Well, you're
what-
wrong.
Oh,
mean
yeah,
this
yeah,
watch?
yeah, yeah.
That's a fast track.
No, it's a fast track watch.
That's a
like one
fast
of the
track?
fast
Fast
track
track, yeah.
ones.
That's a fast track's doing smartwatches now.
No,
It's not
it's not
smartwatch.
Oh.
No, G-Shock recently released a limited edition Diet Coke watch, dude. It's like transparent design.
Ooh.
Fucking, it's sick,
Oh,
bro. It's
beautiful.
sold out everywhere.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah,
dude.
it's very
That makes sense.
expensive.
When it comes out again, order, and they'll be
Yeah.
like, we'll give it to you by 2030.
No, no, that is like they had it. They're like, come
No, no.
take it if you have.
Did you guys see the whole hype that happened with the recent Swatch AP
Yeah.
Swatch
Yeah.
thing?
No, what?
Oh, you don't know this? It was like one of the most hyped things in the last few years in terms of watches.
Okay.
Basically, Swatch and AP did a collab, okay?
Yeah.
And everybody like, oh, affordable AP, so they went crazy. But they weren't like wrist watches; they were your hook watches.
Like pocket watches.
Pocket
types.
watches.
But they are like they pop out of their this thing sockets, okay, and then you can just hold. You'll be just be holding the dial basically.
So you can like
You
get
can pop that into
covers.
anything.
Yeah.
So people are going crazy, designing awesome bands and all.
And it
for the
wasn't even
watches.
limited
Damn
edition,
good.
by the way. This was just like one of the things they were gonna do, but people
Yeah.
thought it's a limited edition, so they started fucking crowding outside.
Dude,
Swatch
there are
stores.
stampedes and shit.
There were stampedes, so
Is
they're
it
like, we're
over
not.
now?
Huh?
This watch,
Bro,
I think you
can
can still
just
buy
buy
it. I think you can still buy
Yeah,
it.
they're like they're not saying it's a limited edition. They might run out, but they'll put it back in stock.
Yeah.
So it's not
Why did people think it's
because they're
limited edition?
stupid. They just
And
fucking-
you want to earn, like the iPhone thing, dude. It's not gonna run out of iPhones.
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
Yeah.
Like you want to be the first one to get it,
Yeah.
and then some people were wanted to be resellers of this. Like it's a hype.
Oh
product.
yeah. They want to
Dude,
resell.
people were sending their house helps and making them stand.
Oh
in
yeah,
lines.
they fucking do
Yeah.
that shit, dude.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
sad.
Oh, well.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, that's been the episode. Next episode, we're doing it in another house.
Yeah,
Every episode,
every
new
episode's
house.
a new house.
That's our new plan now.
Yeah.
Every episode, new house, new setup, new couch from ground up. Every episode will cost like 4 lakhs.
Cushion will be the same.
Cushion will not
this
change.
shit. But okay, listen. Now that we've mentioned the products that you guys have been talking about on Reddit, put more
Put
more,
more.
Please,
so that
yeah.
we can check. Okay, and also,
Buy me stuff. I'm putting an Amazon wish
yeah,
list
yeah,
in
don't
the
listen. Fuck this.
description. Buy me shit you
Fuck
want.
this. But also, we will be having live shows very soon. Okay, 16th of August
Yeah.
is when we'll be having it. So just be ready to buy tickets. Okay, it's limited edition.
I think tickets are
only-
already out by the time this episode is out. So
Sure,
just go buy
if
them
it is,
now.
buy it. Limited tickets because it's space. We can't have unlimited tickets. Unlimited tickets, buy it.
It's a collaboration. It's a collaboration between me and Govind and KCC.
Let's go.
Back at KCC, guys.
Back
Limited
at
edition back at
KCC.
KCC because other venue shut down.
Shut down completely. Not in our hands.
At all.
But okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Okay, see you in the next
Bye.
episode. Bye.